up, AB Mike? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? It's good, Tony. Oh, man. Storm Players here. Everyone's ready to go on this lovely Friday. Sergio TTE Bank Santos. Good job, bro. Good job on, what was that, London? Yeah, for those of you guys who took that trade on London, great work. I think it was during the London session. Beautiful, beautiful job. Lovely playbook position. What up, Legrand? Good to see you, brother. What up, Adrian Freedom? George. What up, George? Xander's in the house. What up, Ewan? Yeah, whole gang's here. Mr. Volatility. Oh, yes, we needed you today. Mr. Volatility's here. George VDM's in the house. Leo Braxton. What up, Leo? PM Magnifico is here. Oh, right. Awesome, man. What up, Bruno? How y'all doing? Happy Friday to you guys. Welcome, welcome. As you guys settle in here, kick your shoes off, take your coat off, stay a while, and give the stream a like as we get started here today. What up, Mitko? Mitko. Yeah, Mitko. All right, let's get started. I think I'm good on Zoom. Yeah, let me just bring these down. Perfect. Perfect. What up, Z Gamer? All right, cool. I think we're good. I think we're good to go. Oh yeah, let me send out the Zoom link. Hold on 1 second. 1 moment. Beast. We got Beast in the house. Good morning, Roberto Rodriguez from Mexico today. How's the day out in Mexico today? Buck the Fly. What up, Buck the Fly? Storm Player in the house. How many of you guys see my reels? Like, started off, it was like, Storm Player's in the house today. All right. All right, man. Yeah, let's get it going. It is a new day. Let us rejoice in it. Hope you guys are grateful. What's one thing you're grateful for today? I think we can start it another day off with one thing you're grateful for, man. I'm grateful to have you all in here today. It's going to be a good day, going to be a good Friday, but understand what you're grateful for, man. Get the gratitude butterflies going in your heart, in your mind, so you can see and think clearly here today. All right, Zoom link is out. All my Zoomers, you guys are good to go. And I think we're good. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord now. Link should be in the chat in just a moment. And let me lower the music. Don't forget to record. We are recording. Perfect. Yeah, I hit it today. 25K subs today. Oh, yeah, probably. What are we at? On a Friday? Yeah, a lot of amazing things typically tends to happen to us on Fridays. So yeah, you never know, man. Maybe we can get a 25K. What are we at now? 24. All right, cool. Yeah, so we're right there. So if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, everybody in Zoom. Welcome in. Welcome. What up, Mr. Big Pip? Yes, sir. Yeah. That's my code name, Mr. Big Pip. But all right, cool. Let's get started here. I think everything's good on my end. And yeah, we're good. So welcome everyone. Today is the 17th of November. It is Friday here, last day of the week. Could this potentially be my first no trade week ever? Yeah, I think so. First no trade week ever. I don't think so. I think we're going to get a big trade here today. I think we're going to get a banger here today. I think our patience will be rewarded here today. I think our discipline will be rewarded. Remember, traders get paid to wait, right? So we've been doing a lot of waiting this week, and we're hoping to get paid here today, right? But we're going to do the same thing we do every day and use this as an opportunity to be patient and disciplined, wait for the right opportunities to come to us, and not jump on anything outside of the plan here today. So let's go ahead and pop the news up real quick, see what's in the forecast here for today, and then we'll get busy on the chart. So Let's see. Today is Friday again, 17th of November, and doesn't look like we've got much in the way. Building permits at 8:30, no big deal. Housing starts here, and looks like we got a speech at 9:45. So nothing too crazy here today, gang. Should be a pretty smooth day. Yeah, pretty smooth day here today. Yeah, I think we should be able to take advantage of NY Open, NYSE Open, and all the good stuff. So we're done fasting today. Yeah, we're done fasting today. Nothing all week. Yep. Nick, pray before you start. Oh yeah, let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for this opportunity. I ask that you bless these people, Lord. Bless our trades today. Use this live stream here to bring your people closer to you, Lord. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Awesome. Let's get it going. What up, Pablo? Good morning, sir. And all God's people said, let's do it. Don't worry, gang. This stream is always covered in prayer. Always. All right, cool. Let's talk about the charts here real quick. Right? The nitty-gritty. What you guys came for. So, taking a look at the weekly. Let's start here on the weekly time frame, and let's just talk about what's going on, right? Because, you know, the weekly candles have pushed up here, right? So we've seen this move up on the weekly time frame. We came back into this 2002 range here and create a resistance, right? So we got that resistance, and now we've also created a support, right? So we've got a resistance that was formed on the way up, and then we have a support now that is attempting to be formed, right? This candle's still open for another 9 hours. So until this candle actually closes bullish, we don't have a support just yet. But by the looks of it, we do have 9 hours left. Anything can happen within those 9 hours. We did come up, and it looks like gave this weekly candle a top wick here as well, which is good. And we may be retesting this high, so it might be barcode strategy activated here on the weekly time frame, gang. Right? Might be an opportunity to take advantage of the barcode strategy here next week and just sell, right? And then just buy, right? And then just sell. Yeah, barcode. No, hopefully we don't get the barcode. Hopefully we do get some sort of a breakout or some sort of a pullback on this candle, so that way we have our opportunity to say, okay, we've created a decent support, we've got a wick to fill, and price can come back up. But that's not up to me. That's going to be up to the charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily candles, though, so we can see how we're going to play ball here today. But just understand that weekly was moving down. We engulfed that whole move, created resistance, drove down, but now we've got this odd candle here in the way of price moving back down to this support here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. As we know, it's been a pretty bullish week here. Daily candle is opened. We don't have much of a bottom wick on this candle just yet, but we do know that yesterday we did create a support and we did not move bearish, right? We were anticipating that yesterday this may be a low, a high, and then price comes back down, but price had other plans, and these lows did not get broken, right? So price just ended up moving up and creating this support right here. You also have a resistance right here that we have officially tapped into, and now the daily candle is just kind of trying to make a decision, right? Where does it want to go? Does it want to come down and make its bottom wick? Does it want to keep pushing? So we're gonna have to take a look at the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute to really see what the deal is here. So taking a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, that same resistance there on the daily is this major resistance on the 4 hour here. So we have tapped into it. 4 hour now broke the high, and it's working, right? So it's bearish right now, but at any moment this candle could flip up, break the highs, and then come into this what is this, 2001? Yeah, come back into 2001 and revisit these highs here that were formed. So let's see what the 1 hour 30 minute looks like, and we're gonna plan our hunt here today. So taking a look at the 1 hour time frame, you have a resistance that was formed, right? Pretty strong resistance right here. But if we look left, right, so this is the resistance that every other trader is looking at, right? But we're not every other trader, right? So we're gonna go ahead and scroll to the left, And above this resistance is another one right here. Okay, and then if we look left, there's another one about 24 pips away. So most likely buys are going to be best above 1995 here today. Where I want to take my buys is not even anywhere near 95. I want to see if I could take my buys somewhere near 89 here, right? Somewhere down here if we get a pullback. So let's see if we can get a pullback. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like here. So you look like you're working on a support here. What I would like to do is maybe see if we can get a fake out, right around 1987, have a candle close back within the range here, and then a fake out to move back up. So let me demonstrate what I mean by that. So potentially a bearish closure below, right? So you get a candle closing below, and nice top wick here. And maybe this candle closes with no bottom wick, you know, maybe it gives us some sort of signs, right, that the bearish volume is dying out, and then we get ourselves a fake out, right, to close back within the range. This will be the position of the day. So this would be the position I would love to get here today and take our buys to move back up. So we'll see if we can get that. We may even want to come lower. Let's go ahead and take a look at where the daily low is here. Oh, damn. Hold on. Daily. Yeah, let's see what this looks like right here. Yeah, so price may even come below here, right? So below there is a very, very clean traffic coming down to 1963. Let me get rid of the drawing here. So yeah, I think what I want to do is I'm going to be waiting, right? So I'm going to be waiting for some sort of a fake out. You have some sells below here, but in my opinion, they're very risky, right? There's a lot of support. The cleanest opportunity for sells is clearly going to be below 1980 here today, where you have clean traffic coming down. So that's probably what I'm going to look at here today. Going to stay out of this range for sells, and I will wait for fake out. So look, where can we get a fake out, man? We can get a fake out right where I have this line now. We can get it here. We can get it here, right? We can get it here. We can get it anywhere within these ranges here. So I'm not going to bite on sells in this range. I want to see if we can come down, create support, and move back up here with the higher time frame. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at for gold. I think if you like to potentially have sells somewhere in this range, I mean, go for it, but not me. Yeah, not me here today. I'm gonna leave this range alone. I'm only gonna take buys. So if we do get some sort of clean move down, right, and let's say the fake out goes even further, you get a nice clean move down here. I'm not going to take these sells. I'm just going to patiently wait for support to be formed, right? And what that'll do is that'll give us clean traffic now to drive back up. So you've created a resistance. After we create a support, 85% chance that we come back up and retest that resistance, right? So that'll be my trade here today. Hopefully we can, maybe come a little bit lower, give us a little bit of a bigger range to trade here. And then look, if gold does start breaking these highs, then I believe we're going to be off to the races and could maybe see like 2003 here today. So that's what we're going to wait for, or that's what I'm going to wait for. And I'm just going to sit tight here. So I'm going to look for even fake outs, probably more so somewhere around here. Yeah, 1987. Yeah, somewhere around these zones here. So we'll see where we get it, but just know that's what I'm going to be aware and looking for. And yeah, so fake outs for buys above here, and then sells below 80 here. Yeah, pretty simple day. Just got to be patient, and we know we could do that, right? We know we could be patient. So that's going to be the day. Let's go ahead and look at the target here for the buys coming up. So I would say 2004. You have a initial move up to 2000. It's probably where I would close my partials and let a runner go to like 2004 here. So yeah, nice 50 pip move coming up. But like I said, it'd be awesome if we can get if we can get buys from a little bit further down here. So yeah, so that's gonna be the day here for me. Just pretty simple. Gonna follow the trend here and just wait for the golden opportunity. do this. All right, cool. Lovely. Perfect. Cool. There's too many lines. I'm going to remove one. I don't like it. All right, that looks better. All right. All right, gang. That's it. That's the day. That's the day on gold. Oh, today I'm past phase 2. Oh, nice, Timo. Congratulations. Congratulations. I feel much better today. Much, much better today. I don't know if I'm going to need these cough drops here anymore, but we'll keep them there, but feel a lot better. Thank you guys for all your prayers. It really did help. And I'm feeling like yesterday on a scale of 1 to 10, I was probably like a 6.5 to a 7. And today I'm feeling like a 9, baby. Like a 99.9. Man, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, gang. I know it probably didn't look like it, but man, I was like probably like a 2 out of 10. 3 out of 10. Easy day. Yes, sir, AB Mike. Hey, what up, Cash Z? I seen you last night on the Asian chat. How you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. Glad you're feeling better. Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Hey, thanks to a lot of your prayers. Oh, nice. Happy birthday, Pablo. Happy birthday, my man. How old are you today? You're not a female, so I can ask you your age. Doing breakfast. What did I eat? I just ate up some knowledge, some wisdom and understanding this morning. That's my breakfast usually every morning. Yeah, man can't live on bread alone. Yeah, it's been a while, Cash Z. Good to see you back here. What up, TK? Hey, he's that guy. He's that guy. Oh, Adrian, thanks for the coffee, man. Man, this guy buys me coffee every day. Appreciate that, man. Wow. Got a lot to be thankful for here. Adrian's coffees every day are one of them. Can you use this type of price action to swing trade? Yes. Yeah. So you guys see how I typically look for. So typically what I'm doing is looking at the 4-hour and the daily and then trying to anticipate the move of the day. And I'm looking for my entries on the 30-minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, mainly 30-minute and 1 hour. And I'm targeting a 4-hour daily move, right? So all you have to do, if you guys want to swing trade, all you have to do is switch up what you're looking at, right? So if you want to target if you want your targets to fall on the monthly or the weekly, basically a swing trade, then all you do is instead of coming down to the 30 and the 1 hour like I do, you could still do that, but you can execute off 4-hour candles, right? Or even daily candles, in order to swing trade it. So remember, everything I personally specialize in is reading candles and understanding candles and candlesticks, the anatomy of them, what they do, what they tend to do, if they have no wicks or wicks and all this good stuff, if they're big bodies or small bodies, if the wicks are bigger than the body, if the wicks are smaller than the body, right? And we're going to go over all that in the boot camp as well. But that's the one thing I specialize in. So if you can learn candlesticks, then a 30-minute candlestick is the exact same thing as a monthly candlestick, only obviously it's filled with a lot more pips, and it also takes a lot more time, right, for it to play out. So yeah, you can use candles to swing trade. Pretty simple. If you just kind of take a look at like a weekly time frame, like you had this weekly resistance here, you take a sell, keeping your stops above the highs here, and you just hold for the week, and that's your weekly swing. Yeah, this trade right here took 5 days and got you 500 and something pips. So you basically made 100 pips a day there. Yep. Espresso. How do we know today's bullish and bearish? There's two ways, right? There's two ways to really understand. You can look at the overall market, right? So overall market, we are moving up currently right now on the daily time frame. Also, the previous daily candle closed bullish. That has something big to do with my bias each and every day. Like yesterday, we had a bearish bias, right? Because we were still open for buys, but we had a understanding that the previous daily candle closed bearish, right? Therefore, if you broke these lows here, then there was a high chance that you would come down and retest as support. So that was the move of the day that I was looking to anticipate. Now that didn't happen, right? So price moved up, and there was, and again, we talked about this, yesterday, maybe the day before, that most no trade days typically tend to happen the same way. You had a bearish bias and price moved up, and you just didn't have anything line up for your playbook going against the trend that day in terms of candlesticks and the openings of them and the closures of them, or you had a bullish bias and price went down, right? So sometimes that's going to happen, and a lot of times they lead to no trade days. But there are times where you can pivot pretty easily and take off the bias and put the new bias hat on and do your thing. So that happened to us a couple days ago, but the last few days weren't really able to take positions here, right? I think this candle was 8 a.m. yesterday, NY open plus the news. And then we couldn't enter off of this candle, right? This was a new 4-hour candle. It gave us literally, this was the bottom wick. Like, come on, gold. Right here. This candle right there was the 4-hour bottom wick. So, very, very tough, right? When you're looking at the 4-hour. Now, if we look at the 1 hour, if we were anticipating a position here, we had a resistance right to the left-hand side. So, very tough, right? So now we need to wait for a closure, and now you get that closure, right? And then really no bottom wick on the next one and just driving. So there really wasn't an opportunity for us to get in the door there yesterday on buys. We did set a sell stop here when we finally got that resistance to target the support on a bearish day. Didn't work out. Buys kept moving up, and that was it. And you just got to learn to be okay with that. You got to learn to be cool. You didn't do anything wrong. You actually did everything right. You actually did everything right, and you avoided FOMO, and you avoided greed, and you avoided, stupid mistakes that maybe you would normally do, and you just stayed disciplined there yesterday. So, yeah, yesterday was a W discipline day, man. Yo, weekly swing trade, weekly barcode here. Press sell on Monday. The Yeeza's in the house. What up, the Yeeza? Bink, bink. What up, Jerry FX? Good morning. Good morning. Actually, I think you guys are out in the UK, right? So good afternoon. Yeah, I entered there, and yeah. And then some of you guys just said, you know what, screw it. I'm just closing my eyes and pressing buy, and I'm praying for a great day. Hero of the day's in the house. We understand, bro. You have a lot of jobs. You have a lot of roles here. Yeah. So yeah, we're just waiting now, right? Just sitting tight and waiting, seeing if we can get what we drew out here today, right? Our trades always flow the best when we come to the charts and make a logical plan for the day and stick to that plan throughout the day. Normally we will be rewarded. So what up, Green? Morning, big dog. Hey, what up, Donald? Morning, brother. GJ melted during London. Oh, damn. Sheesh. Wow. What happened? Hurt? Damn, someone hurt GJ's feelings. I think GJ's getting mad. Every time we seem to try and put GJ to the side, GJ just gets aggressive and just starts driving down, doing what we want it to do. Maybe we got to play like that hard ass friend on GJ, you know? Got to be hard on GJ. Step it up. Let's go. Create some ranges. But yeah, let's take a look at GJ here real quick. So the daily is pretty bearish. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly. Oh wow, yeah, weekly rejection, man. Come on. Can we just reject and close bearish here and move down? Can we do that? Daily candle is moving down very heavy. A lot, as you can see, no top wick on this candle here. A lot of bearish pressure coming in. Also, a lot of bearish pressure exhausting this this weekly candle here. So let's see what the 4 hour looks like. So 4 hour candle is just drove down here. So yeah, you guys are right. GJ melted here during London here over the last 4 hours, 5 hours. So we do have a continued move down here. Pretty clean traffic. We do have this wick right here that I'm looking at that we kind of rejected there. So I think what we need on pound yen here is a bit of a pullback, right? If we can get some sort of a bullish move back up and a retracement, then I think that we could potentially look to have positions here on GJ a little bit later today. So I want to see some sort of a move up and a resistance form. So very similar to gold, looking for a support. On GJ, I want to see a resistance, right? And then we could potentially take our move back down here on pound yen. So yeah, we'll see. GJ needs some time. Gonna need some time. Unless you guys took this blader in London. But yeah, all my New York session friends, you're gonna have to wait here. So I'm gonna wait with you. If we do get that pullback, I'll probably be interested here in pound yen. Let's see if we can get a pullback, maybe a fake out towards like 19 or 186. 330 fake out for sells, or not even a fake out, just some sort of onion right up here, some sort of resistance formed, and then we can take our sells coming back down. So not going to touch it here, but if we get that pullback, that'll be nice. See what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour is getting choppy, 30-minute getting choppy as well, and yeah, just gotta wait here. Just gotta wait. I guess you can say you've got a support and a resistance probably right here. Yeah, so if you guys want to take the move back up, there may be a potential for that. Other than that, maybe just wait for a closure below, or that resistance to be formed up here. I think we can potentially see somewhere up in this range, 1986. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, same exact zone there. So yeah, I would wait. These are clean buys if you want them. Just understand you're going against the trend, but you are going with a healthy pullback if that does decide to happen. So yeah, clean range moving up, looking for potential fake outs up here. Let's swap these lines here, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So other than that, just stay out of this range here. Trust me, you don't want anything to do with GJ from 185.500 to 185.850 here. So yeah, that's going to be it. I'm just going to wait on pound yen. I want to see if we can get that move up. And last but not least, let's look at NAS100. Let's go ahead and look at the NASDAQ here. Becoming my second favorite pair. So daily is chopping around a bit, right? Daily's chopping around a bit now. We did create this support to potentially move back up. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Are we above or below? So we are, yeah, we did close back above the range here. Oh, let's see what we got to the left. Got another resistance right here, which is about 80 pips away here. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1 hour 30-minute and see what we could do here. 4 hour, just, yeah, 4 hours very weak, not really doing much. You've got a support, you have a resistance here, and then if you do get a close above, then yes, we're gonna potentially have a position here to move back up to retest the highs here at 15900. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Gotta move this up a little bit here, and yeah, that's gonna be it. 30-minute is good. Yeah, this is it. So this is the range. So gonna be looking to take buys above 15859 here. If you look, you have a nice clean move, about a 75-point move, and a 40 pip advantage point here. So this is the nearest sign in which we can close partials and then let our trade run for about 80 pips here, and even, you know, maybe close to 100 here today. So let's see what NAS100's got for us here today. Very, very excited about continuing to just dial in on this pair. Learn it, grow with it, and introduce it next year. So buys above, and then sells, or, you know, whatever. Yeah, sells are going to be below the daily low there. So yeah, range 2 sells below 15818. And that's it. That is it. Let's dress these up, and yeah. All right, lovely. So that is the day on all 3 pairs here, and we're just gonna sit tight and wait. Oh, 30-minute support. Oh, 730's here. It looks like candle closed bullish on gold here. Oh, nice. Yeah, if we can get a bottom wick here, maybe interested in taking buys on gold here. See if we can get a bottom wick. Can you check if you would have entered gold? Minute 30 resistance was at 1988. Broke. Oh, let's take a look. 1988 right here. $345. $345. Oh yeah, yeah. These were the buys. These are the buys I was looking for. So, if you guys remember in the, what channel was that? I think I put it in the Asian and the London channel yesterday. Yeah, right here. Yeah. So I was heading off for the night, but I was telling everyone, you know, if you close above 88 during the London, look to hold till 92,500. That's going to be your advantage point, the opportunity to close partials. It's a clean 40 pips. Next target 96, then 2,000. And I'll, you know, just hoping for New York session. But yeah, so I was looking for closures above 88, which this candle was the closure, and then holding till 92 here. So this was 92, right? And we tapped into that perfectly. So shout out to everyone who caught those buys, who paid attention there. If you guys look, that was this was 92 here, which was this resistance, right? Because everything was clean move up until 92, and then you may have gotten some rejections, right? So let's go ahead and see how that played out. So perfect, right? Perfect 1 hour candle. Yeah, it took like 2 hours, but it got there. Lovely. Who got those? Who took those? Beautiful, beautiful trade. Wish I could have stayed up with you all, but I had duties and obligations. What up, classic trader? Good to see you, brother. Oh, nice. Legrand got him. Good stuff, Legrand. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of you guys took that position, right? That was a simple breakout out of the playbook. Support being formed, bullish day, clean traffic to the left. I mean, it don't get much better than that. Nice, nice. Awesome. Sergio snatched it. He snagged that thing. My sleep stops got activated before the trade. Same here, TK. Yeah, good stuff though. Really got to be active on Discord now. Yeah, I've been much more active in the Discord lately too. So I've been hanging out for London. I mean, not London, but New York. I mean, what am I saying? Asian session. We're gonna do London session next week, gang. But I've been pretty active here for Asian most days. Some days I'm out with the family and doing stuff. But I think 80% of the days I'm back at the desk by like 8 p.m. Eastern to trade Asian or look at Asian. Usually for Asian session, I'll mark my charts up and then I'll just check price every like 25 minutes. Like you said on your IG story, study the masses and do the opposite. Yeah. Oh yeah. Big time, man. Big time. Yep. Yeah, you notice how we were the only people in that restaurant, man. One thing, when I used to work a job, my mentor this dude would call me up some days. And I'd be like, hey, what's going on, man? He's like, nothing. Just want to see what you're doing. I'm like, well, I'm working, And he's like, hold on a second. Can you hear this? And I used to do this to Green sometimes. Green. I'm like, hold on. You hear this? And it sounds like bunch of static, right? And I'm like, I'm busy. I got work to do, man. It's too static. He goes, no, it's not static. He goes, bacon and eggs. I'm like, this guy, man. Bacon and eggs while I'm eating some cardboard food bar. Midway through the morning at like 11 a.m., this dude's waking up, chilling in his pajamas, whipping up some bacon and eggs, and I'm like, ooh, I can't wait for freedom. Yeah, he would take a picture and kind of like I did on IG yesterday. He would send it to me, and he goes, "Hey, buddy, no one here but me." Yeah, we tell the kids that the restaurant is theirs. We rented it out for them. It's all theirs. You want to have a mentor like that, though. You want to have a mentor who's going to stretch you a bit. Not someone who's going to make you feel good all the time. Right? Encourage you to get the job done. And yeah, man, I locked in. Where can we find the playbook video? Right here on this YouTube channel. Let's go to the videos. Oh, let's see. Is the 1 hour going to have different plans here? Might have different plans. Yeah. Oh, Johnny Boy's in the house. He's here. He's here. He's here, chat. Woo! There he is. There he is. Oh, he's back. All right, there he goes. What up, Stud? Oh, where you go? Oh, there he goes. He's back in here now. All right, my man. How we feeling?
Man, I feel blessed.
Feeling blessed?
I'm ready to tackle my goals.
I dig that. Amen.
Good, bro. How you doing?
Fantastic.
You ready to tackle your goals?
Feeling amazing. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Been tackling them for 3 hours now.
All right, let's go.
Let's get to it.
To it. Morning,
Johnny's
chat.
flying.
How we doing?
What up, level up?
Yo, my fault again. London sesh. Yo, we back next week. My sleep stops are activated. But we back next week.
Man, even I was looking for a London call from John.
Hey, but that trade was money. So shout out anyone who took that. Those buys.
Yeah, those were great.
Those are clean.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour support here. So if we can get a support on the 1 hour, that's gonna be our opportunity here. Yeah, we need we get a nice little 1 hour support, and NY Open should be able to. We don't have any news here, so NY Open should be able to drive us out of this range and, you know, continue us up here.
Man, I'm expecting a banger today. 10 NY session off the week.
Out of curiosity, is your glasses one of those? Yeah, these are blue light glasses. Yeah, these are blue light glasses that were manufactured in Wakanda, and I can see through. I can see into all of your webcams here with these glasses. You guys don't know. These are specially made in Wakanda.
Yeah, I love that story though. That you were just saying about about your mentor, Mr. V.
Yeah.
With the bacon and eggs.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
And I'd be sitting there eating like a food bar.
That had to motivate the hell out of me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Great.
Freedom, man. Go get yours, man. You gotta go get your freedom.
Alright, so we only have one.
Necessary.
We only got one life. There's some you want to do. There's some you want. You go out and get it, right?
Oh yeah.
Set out a plan and set sail.
Yeah, we're gonna anticipate this 4 hour making its run up here on gold. God, Hey, what up, Sandman? Sandman is in the Sandman's everywhere. Green, watch out. Sandman's everywhere too. Yes, sir. Have I tried FTMO? Yeah. I worked with FTMO for about 3 or 4 months. Yeah, they were great. But once MFF and a few other companies started like lowering the price of challenges and lowering the target profits and increasing the max losses and stuff like that, I just moved over to those guys. Yeah, and then I was with them, and then until you guys see me move to TFT. Sandman is the man. Yeah. Facts. The man. On that mission. Yup. Yeah, that's true, Legrand. I think only the Royal one will allow EAs. Yeah, I took the Royal because I seen that was the only one that really supported EAs.
Oh yeah, TFT. They got Wise. We can do Wise payments now.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yep. Yes, sir. Where's Joey Stu? Joey Stu. Where you at, kid?
Reporting for attendance.
Gonna have to call names out in attendance.
Yo, for real.
He's here.
Oh, present.
All right. Present.
You'd have that one kid in class when there was a substitute teacher doing attendance. He'd be like, present.
All right. Oh, nice. AB Mike got another 100K stacking. Put it on a copy trader. Lovely. Lovely. Oh,
Well, let's
Rafi's
see.
in the house. What up, Rafi? Rafi pulling up today?
Rafi.
Louis G's in the house. Oh, nice. You're on vacation, bro? Hey, enjoy it, man. Enjoy it.
My man Rafi in the Zoom.
Oh, bet.
Here.
Looks like MFF's going to come back. What's your thoughts? I am not working with them guys anymore. Yeah, I don't know. They ruined their rep. They ruined their rep, man. Come back. Hey, I know we screwed you guys over on every trade, especially you live accounts, but we're back. And you know what? We promise. We won't do it again. No, thank you. No, thank you. You ruined my life, man.
I'll slide that way.
I'm going to just dab on them. Bang. What up, Stephen B? Oh, man.
Coach Carter, I haven't been that active, but I'll be getting more active. Especially in the London session chat.
Where am I going here?
Yeah, AB might way to take advantage of opportunities and possibilities, man. Let's go. Love it.
Yeah, they're... Opportunity. Yeah, it looks like we don't want to move down here, so this is good. If we get this support formed on the 1 hour, it looks pretty solid here. My wife and I on a 50K challenge. Oh, nice. Be water, my friend. Let's go.
Oh, you got this.
Yeah, they're... I'm only where the value is, brother, but TT is always home team. Yes, sir. Yeah, no, yeah, you gotta chase value, man. Wix was spitting last night, man. I think we sprinkled a little bit of the Holy Ghost in there, huh? What do y'all think? We had to do a little preaching in Wix's stream last night. Man, all of a sudden that boy caught fire. I was on the way out. I was like, oh, let me stay in here for a second. Let me hear this man. Man was spitting. Holy. Did the royal? Oh, nice. Had him praying in there and all that, man.
Oh, for real?
See, most people overlook these things. They just think, it's a joke or, you know. Ah, man. Spiritual realm, gang. Spiritual realm. Yeah, praise God. Yeah, I love Wix, man. His stream's great, too. Nice chill vibes. Chill vibes. That's how Asian sessions should be.
Nah, for real. Learned a lot of psychology from Wix as well.
Yeah. Yeah, he's fire.
Not working.
He even said a prayer. Yeah, man. I have a doubt. Can you please explain yesterday you avoid GJ sells? Any specific reason? Yeah, because GJ was bullish there. I mean, we had we're forming a resistance, so you can see the signs of it. But I just haven't been enjoying my trades on pound yen, so that was it. Other than that, like I was saying, the closure below was pretty good for anyone who wanted to take it. So it looks like it worked out well there too. Where was that at? That was where was that? That was right here, right? Yeah, right here. Yeah, I am most likely gonna be hanging GJ up here pretty soon. So, but yeah, it tended to work out really well there. Nice move coming down. Yeah, no specific reason though. Just outside of me not really wanting to trade GJ anymore. Took it on GJ yesterday. W. Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, if I take GJ trades anymore this year, I'm lowering my risk. Just because, dude, we haven't even. This was the least we've traded GJ. Like, since like the last 2 years.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this year we really moved GJ at the house, and gold really stepped in. Yeah, just one. Let's count. We can count how many pound yen trades we took this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've taken 18 trades here on pound yen all year long. So, yeah, this is definitely the least active I have ever been on pound yen.
And that's out of like over 150 trades.
Yeah.
On the year.
Yep. Let's see how well we did. We did so 1. Oh, did pretty good with GJ here. 2. Yeah, you see that? I think 6 out of 18. I might have counted one off, but 6 out of 18 we lost. Right? So interesting. Six out of 18.
like 12 and 6.
Yeah. In the past few days, I lost interest trading GJ. Yeah, you know, one thing about pound yen this year has been pretty tough. It's just been on a steady bull run, right? So this is January, right? We created support in January, and we've just been on this steady move up. So hasn't been many good opportunities here, if you ask me. Unless you were buying, you know, if you were buying the whole way up, then yeah. But yeah, it hasn't been the greatest. All right, we wait on NY Open here, friends.
There, let's see how this 1 hour candle's gonna close up. Ring the bell for NY Open.
Yeah, ding ding. How do you calculate risk percentage? I don't. Magic Keys does that for me. Yeah, Magic Keys. So if I'm risking 2% here, right? Let's say I want to take a buy here and blah blah blah. I'll take profit up here. Notice how this is gonna risk 2%. So you see how it's gonna open up a 31 lot? Oh damn, you guys can't even see that. Hold on.
Oh dang.
All right. Well, anyway, so if I have a 31 lot here, if I bring this down, Magic Keys will automatically calculate the lot size and now opens a 14 lot, right? But it's still risking 2%. If I bring it closer to price, it's opening up a 50 lot, right? And still risking about 2%. So no matter where I drag this line, my risk will always be 2% unless I go into my settings and change it, right? If I have my stops down here, then it'll be a 7 lot. So it just calculates the lot size for me there.
For real, it's either Magic Keys or you calculate it yourself.
Yeah. Yep. How much did I pay for Magic Keys? Man, I forget honestly. I think they're like $200. Yeah, really good investment. Really, really good investment. Yeah, they have the on-screen one for a lot cheaper, I believe, and it's pretty much the same thing.
That's monthly now, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. That's like a monthly fee too.
I used to not be, but I guess monthly now.
Yeah.
Pretty sure like the physical version's like only like 150.
Yep.
One time.
Oh look, you can use a position size calculator. It's free and calculate lot size for you. Yeah, so go to like maybe Google position size calculator, and that should help you out. Yeah, the new one, I don't know why it's monthly. I have no idea why that is.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
Need that extra chicken.
That monthly income.
Yeah, I love Magic Keys though. Really, really good. So 2 minutes here. Oh, nice. I didn't know that, Forex Frank. Good morning, Forex Frank. Good to see you here. Looks like
Forex
TFT
Frank
also has one. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, I heard a lot of funding companies, some of them at least, are coming out with like risk calculation calculators or risk percentage calculators. Cashback calculator good for position sizes. Where I never heard of that. What's good, Trade Dub? Yeah, I've been great, Forex Frank. How you doing?
What up, Trey Pound? Trey Pound. Loke Dog. We got Loke Dog.
Hey, yo, this 1 hour looks like it wants to come down.
He's fine.
Hey, yeah, of course. It's fine. What's up, Sam? Sam Capital in the chat.
Sammy boy. Sammy. Let's go, Sam. Here we go, Sam.
Let's see.
How different are your trading methods compared to Raja? Slightly different. Slightly different. I would say he's a bit more aggressive than I am. He also has 5 or 6 more years in the game than I do. You know, I kind of took his system and just kind of made it a little bit safer, I would say. And sometimes that means we miss out on moves, but most of the moves we take are well planned and very, very high probability moves. So yeah, we just closed doji here for the 7 a.m. candle. So we have the 8 a.m. candle open now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 15. So let's see if we can create support here on the 15 and then potentially look to move back up here. Yeah, 30 closed, consolidating. As you guys know, I'm not taking sells in here. All right, not going to be taking any sells within here, and just going to wait for that support. If we get it on the 15, great. We'll take it off the 15. If not, we may have to wait for the 30.
Time to wait.
Oh yeah, they usually do a lot of sales. Black Friday sales. Yeah, just wait on a sale from them. Yeah, this is good. The further we can come down, the better. So we can move back up a bit.
I really like buys above 87. That would be dope.
Yep. Right around here somewhere. Yeah, if we can get a support here, then you'll most likely see the next candles start to drive. News in 30? I don't think we have any news to worry about here today. Yeah, nothing really. There's some CAD news going on. That should bring a little volume into gold here for us, but not going to avoid staying away or out of positions or anything like that today for any of that. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Do I usually trade after 9? Yes. Yeah. After 9 is typically my best. 9:30 is the sweet spot. Yeah, one thing about after 9 is good is that the 4-hour candle closes. So that'll typically give some really good direction. So that's a perfect bottom wick on the 4-hour. Like if we're going to get going, we've got to get going now and create a support to move up. Yeah, because we've only got 57 minutes left on this 4-hour candle here. Oh, reset. Reset. Internet quick.
Oh, damn.
How many trades you take per month? 25. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's all different. Every month is different. Right? Every month is a bit different. These are all the months that are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm not gonna count them all, but they're all different. Whatever the market really gives, you know, that's what we go for. I wouldn't even say, gang, that we're scalpers or intraday or swing. I really don't even label us as any of that. I think we just come to the market every day and look for an opportunity and see if we can find it. I don't know really what to define us as traders. We're just traders that pull up and, you know, look for our playbook and our moves. I'm not too sure if you want to call us scalpers or what, but yeah, so these are all the months you'll notice are just a little bit different. Just a little bit different. Some have more trades, some have less trades, but overall, just taking what comes to us.
Literally.
Yeah, if we were scalpers, we probably would have had like at least 20 trades this week already. YOLO trader, what up, YOLO? There he is, my man. YOLO trader in the house. Bring out the whole mod. YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Oh yeah. Rafi's in the house. Sorry, Rafi, I got off track. Oh, he's in the vault. He's in the vault. What up, my boy? Good to see you.
Yo, what's happening?
The gold wall sweating over there in Bali today or what?
Yo, you know how it is. It's crazy, bro. What's going on, chat? What's going on, John?
What up, Rafi? Hey.
Everything Gucci, bro. Everything really good.
Everything Gucci Louis over there? How was the day?
Hey,
I know you're
Gucci,
winding
Louis,
down.
Prada. No, I just went, it's Friday, you know?
Oh, that's true.
Went and got a massage.
Ooh.
And now I'm back into it.
All right, all right.
Oh, sounds like the life.
Sound like you're tempting me to get a massage this weekend. Any excuse will do.
You have to, bro. You have to. Hey, self-care is a very, very important thing to do. It's not just trading. It's not just the gym. You got to treat yourself, you know?
You know what?
You know, treating your body is very important.
You're right.
That's
Done
so
deal,
true.
bro. Done deal this weekend. Hey, book it. Book it. Book the massage.
thing is, like, if you go here, it's like $7 for an hour.
Yeah, I was just
out
gonna
here.
say, would you pay like $4 for an hour?
Yeah, it's amazing.
$1 US
Here it's like $100
per hour.
Oh, I remember that. Like, I used to pay like 90 just in massage, plus like the table was like, yeah, somewhere around there, $100.
Yeah, man, it's like 120 for an hour.
Yeah. That's the thing. Like, I'm thinking, you know, it's like, okay, so we're flying back to the U.S. for a few months, and yeah, we're gonna miss the massages.
Yeah,
from
get
here.
your massages now, bro.
As much as I can. Yeah.
Get it done.
The thing is, like 9 p.m., bro. Like, you can just walk in and get a massage. It goes at 11.
That's sick.
Damn,
Crazy.
that's so dope.
Yeah. How you doing? Well, how's I heard like you slept through the alarm today.
Yeah, man. I went to bed
Dang, bro.
kind of late, slept through the alarm, and yeah, woke up at like 4. And I was like, damn.
That almost happened to me today. I had a meeting with my mentor, and he's in the UK, and our calls are at 3 a.m. my time, and I woke up at 2:58.
Oh. Yeah,
Rushing
sir.
to the call. Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm alert. I got my questions ready. Yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. Sipping some
Well,
coffee.
that was good though.
Hate doing that, bro.
Oh yeah,
Like,
that
just
works.
trying to wake up, the eyes still kind of like, you know, like, yeah, I'm good. Nothing's making sense. Just trying to. But it was good. It was good.
I'm the same way too. Like, I don't like to just wake up and hop on my charts. I like to wake up and like get up, you know, before doing stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be back though next week on Zoom calls.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I want to
Yo,
talk.
how you doing with that? Like, Go ahead, Nick.
No, I was going to say a little bit later, I want to talk with you a bit about no trade days and some of the mentality that goes into that. I think, you know, after a week like this, we can talk a little bit about that and ease some people's minds a bit. But we'll talk about that after, you know, we got 5 minutes for a closure. So we'll talk about that in a little bit.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah.
With the morning voice. Yeah, man. Yeah, no, I've been up. Just finished my morning routine.
Now I'm planning out a good schedule, you know, for me to dominate with the schedule I want to do. I'm adapting correctly.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, that's something that I'm preparing myself right now, since I'm gonna be back in the US, you know. And it's like I normally look at the charts, you know, Asia, set my alarms, and I'm like in tune with the market all day long. And now going back to the Midwest, you know, it's like, okay, well, I know that 7 p.m. is gonna be Asia, but then London, I'm not gonna be able to see anything in London. And London has been pretty well, you know, this last few weeks. It's been giving some moves. So like Asia, 7 p.m. my time in the US, and then New York, just trying to adjust mentally before I even get there.
Yeah, that's facts. The best way, like, we could do it is just plan out what we got to do and follow that plan, literally. Like, what time, like, when, like, for example, like, what time of sleep is going to be the best for you, and start planning out, like, going to bed at that time, or, like, what time is going to be best to wake up, and start planning to, like, wake up, you know, every day. Whatever, you know, you can adapt easily to that schedule. And then, like you said, try and prepare for it before, like, it happens, and then mentally as well. Huge.
Yeah, that's everything, you know. It's like, if you're gonna prepare yourself for let's say a fight or for a game, you know, it's like if you put yourself mentally in the situation before it happens, when it happens, your mind is like, yeah, we've been here. So like you don't have that nervousness, or you don't have that now what, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's so important to prepare yourself, visualize, you know. It's like, okay, so how would I do it before I get there?
Facts, man. That's 100%. I feel the same way when I'm, you know, meditating on my goals, like meditating on hitting a certain goal. It's that feeling, right, that I'm going to feel when I do get there. So I'm feeling it now. It's that feeling that makes me want to, you know, go at it every single day harder. And I'm going to, when I do hit that goal, I'm already going to feel that. And it'll help me also maintain my high and keep my consistency and going higher, you know?
Yeah, absolutely, bro. That's how you're gonna rise your vibration, you know. And if you're vibrating at a high frequency, it's a lot easier for you to align with the thing that you want. It's a lot easier for you to manifest that thing that you're looking for. So yeah, doing that, you know, visualizing, and man, that's the thing. Yeah, a lot of people don't understand. It's like, how do I feel? What does that look like, or what does that mean? Like, how do I feel? Well, just simple. It's very simple. Just for example, pick the favorite dish, right? Like, do you like, let's say, what's your favorite dish? Like, what's the favorite restaurant that you like to go to?
For dinner, I mean, I like some like
Anything.
pasta, penny vodka.
Pasta. Okay, so that place, right? So it's like, yo, whenever I go there, so then you kind of like, you can think about what it feels like when you get to that restaurant, what it smells like when you get in there, how does it feel when you get in there. So it's kind of like you are feeling the thing before you get there, right? And that's the same thing with visualization. When we're visualizing, okay, I'm gonna visualize myself going to a vacation, let's say to the beach, right? Well, you know what the ocean sounds like, and that's part of the visualization. You just gotta hear it for real in your mind before you get in there. So like, that's the thing, you know. It's like, for you to truly feel it, it's like play that thing in your mind before you get there. That's living in the moment, pretty much.
Facts. That's so true. And our mind, like it's like it magnetizes, like, or attracts us, our dominating thoughts. Like, it will attract those things to us, you know, like pretty much like you're saying. I was just reading that Think and Grow Rich the other day. how our mind is really attracting our dominating thoughts. It's attracting that to us, like forces, circumstances, people. It's just, that's how the mind works. Oh yeah, it's key to unlock it.
Love it. Hey, chat, keep in mind, John's still a teenager. Sometimes I forget that. And, you know, to have this information and as such a young age, like, the guy's a teenager still. And, you know, you set yourself up for major success, gang. So remember, success has nothing to do with age. It also has nothing to do with time, right? You can be successful as soon as you decide to be, right? So take notes, man. This is good stuff.
That's another part of having a mental disease is excuses, and that's another area is age excuses, saying you're too old or you're too young to do something, which no one should label you like that, right? Like, you should do something that you want to do. Like, if there's something you want to do, when there's a will, there's a way, you know? So tackle it out, set out a plan, and go for it. But that's another, be aware, because that's another mental disease is self-excuses, and that's an area where people struggle on too, is age excuses. So don't let that get to you. If that's anyone in the chat, if you want to do something and you think you're too old or too young, don't let that define you, right? Don't accept that as the state of mind, and make your way and go out and get what's yours.
Boom. So 15 close and no top wick. So you guys know the deal. Off to the 30-minute closure now. So we got comics coming in. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to participate, but 8:30 should be a opportunity for us here.
You know, John, thinking, I got quiet because I knew that, you know, this candle was about to get close here. But, you know, going back to the, you know, the mind is a magnet. Yo, you know how many traders and how many even, you know, some athletes I've worked with, that they focus so much on the, yo, man, I was so close. I was so close. I just can never get it done. Like I just needed two more, let's say like 2 more %. And I'm almost funded. And they just get caught into, I'm there. And it's like, they start really putting into reality the whole thing, like, I'm so close, but I'm never close. And they start seeing that in the charts. It's like, yo, the thing is almost getting there, it reverses. It's like, yo, why can I get it done? And it's like, yo, you need to change how you think and focus on your playbook, right? If you start focusing on chasing that feeling of, I got it done, it's never gonna be done, right? Because you're thinking from a lack mindset. Only if I did this, only if that happens, only this, yo, you're gonna be seeing all kinds of stuff in the charts. So, you know, like when you start thinking like, oh, if I just did this, this always happens to me. You're starting to attract that thing. Now that becomes your reality. It happens all the time. Crazy.
Yo, that's fire. That's fire. That's why our self-talk is so important, you know? Because that's what our dominating thoughts are as well. But like what we're saying ourselves is so important as well. Like you're saying, like, I'm almost there. It's like, what do you mean? You're there. You got the plan. You're following it. You're going to get there, right? Success is progress. It's a progressive realization of a worthy ideal, right? So if you're progressively working towards that and improving, like, why are you saying I'm almost there? Like, I'm not there yet. Like, you are there, right? You got the plan. You just got to follow it. But that's fire, yo. That's fire. Like, got to keep the positive self-talk and correct thoughts.
Yo, just to think about this. I'm just gonna drop it simple for you guys to just put this into your mind every day and just think about it like this. And Nick, this is gonna hit it right into what you said. Okay, so we had no trade days. Think about this, bro. You have a seed, okay, and you're planting this seed in the garden. Okay, you water it today. Is the plant gonna come out today? No. You gotta keep watering it. Okay, so you're being watering, but the sun is not coming out, right? We need certain things for this thing to fertilize, right? We need the sun, we need water, proper water, right? So same thing with this. It's like, okay, so you're starting every day, You're playing, you're following your playbook. You've been disciplined. You're okay with waiting. That's the same thing as planting a seed. You're planting the seed and the plant is going to come out. You just got to let that plant come out. You can't be rushing it, right? So it's just as simple as that. You're planting the seed. You're watering the seed every day that you show up, every day that you remain patient. Because remember, this is a skill, guys. It's not just about seeing the entries and boom, I got 2% in. Risk management, mindset, being able to recognize and execute without any emotion, being able to be patient, being able to be disciplined. That's a lot, right? So one day is just working on discipline. Another day is going to be to work on, fearlessly get on my entry. Another day is going to be risk management. This is a non-stop grind, guys. It's a skill. That's the reason why it's called a skill. And you get through it every single day you show up. Simple as that.
Yeah, the learning truly never stops. Ever, ever, ever. Never, ever. Yeah, you can't just plant the seed in the ground and, hope for the best. It needs work. It needs attention. You don't need to grow it, right? The seed knows how to grow itself better than you, but the seed needs certain things from you, right? Your job is not to grow the seed. The seed will do its own thing. Your job is to water it. Your job is to get some light on it. Your job is to scratch to, make the ground fertile. And we can use that analogy in our own lives, right? And in our own spirits and in our own mind, is that it's a work, especially, if you're looking for a fully transformed life, it's only something that God can do within you, right? It's nothing you can do. You can just do the things that success requires, like showing up here, right? Practicing, reading, studying, learning, growing, failing, adjusting, treating the seed. But the seed already knows what it's got to do, right? So and when I say that, I refer to trust the process, right? Because there's laws to success, and you don't have to worry about getting to the ultimate goal. You just have to focus on doing the success habits day in and day out, and really, gang, being consistent. Not for 1 or 2 weeks, not for a month. I'm talking about months and years, right? In order to see the success and, the life that you want to live, right?
Here's the other question. So you got your plan that you seeded Monday to Friday. You forget about this plan on the weekend?
Yep. Yeah, man.
Right? The weekend is the most important time because there's no operation. Now you can look back in the week. What did I miss? What could have I improved? Let me go back into this channel. Let me go back into this video.
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna, go over my journaling, over the notes that I took. Okay, great. Now I'm ready for next week. It's not a vacation on the weekends. It's time to work.
What if the Antichrist comes and then trading is gone, bro? It's gonna be an awesome moment, right? You get right for the second coming of Jesus. You understand what happened on the first coming, and you believe it, right? And really understanding the part of the cross. So don't worry when the Antichrist comes. That's good news for us believers. It's great news. Let us rejoice. Self-control, baby. Yep. Gonna need it. Gonna need it. Gonna need it. Thanks for throwing that question in there, though. Have I ever had major losses when I started trading? Absolutely. Absolutely, brother. Yeah, so that's why we never enter on the candles that close with no top wick, is because there's a 50-50 chance at that point for price to continue going. And we all know that we don't do 50-50s here because we save that for the casino, right? We save that for when we go out on Friday nights or Saturday nights, if some of you guys go and do that. But we don't do that here in the markets, right? If there's a position and it closes with no top wick, that's really not the best sign for the continued move. Once in a lifetime, eat on the floor, bro. Yeah, honestly, sometimes I'll go on the floor in Starbucks and just sit on the floor, and John will drop down and do push-ups, and people will look and think we're all weird and stuff. But hey, it's a beautiful exercise. You guys ever just sat down on a sidewalk and just laid there? It's awesome, amazing feeling. Yeah, especially when we go hang out with the homeless in Tampa. We just my daughter Alea got used to laying on the ground now. Nick, are you baptized? I am baptized. Yep. I'm not. So my friend says I'm going to hell no matter if I'm good. Yeah, your friend is bugging. Your friend is bugging. Yeah, I would recommend getting baptized though. But look, not to get off topic here, but you have Christ on the cross. There's a guy on the left of him, a guy on the right of him. One guy says, if you are the Son of God, then get us down from this cross, right? And then I'll believe, right? He needed to see something to believe. But the other guy, what did he say? He said, please don't forget me, right? And Jesus said, surely you'll be with me. Now, did he get baptized? Right? No. Did he preach? No. Did he give to the poor? No. What did he do? He just believed. Right? He just believed. And Christ says, surely you'll be with me. And now, think about this. If he did get off that cross and survived, do I think he would have got baptized? Do I think he would have preached a bit more? Do I think he would have gave to the poor a little bit more? Do I think he would have spread the gospel? Yes. Yes, I do. Because he would have had a cured heart after that. But that's not what he needed to get in. Right? Your works won't do it. Because if your works could do it, then we would be able to brag. Right? And God made it an even playing field. You can't brag. You can't brag about belief. Yeah. What up, Shad? Good morning, brother.
Sure.
Morning.
Shad.
Yo, Nick, I think Sam's at the White House, bro.
Oh, is he? Is Sam here?
He is at the White House, bro.
Sammy boy.
Like,
Oh,
Let's bring him in.
and the man.
Yo, we hijacked the Oval Office.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
but
taking over. We had to get some real ones up in.
Oh,
We had to get some real ones up in here, bro. We gotta make sure things are right. We gotta make things are good. How's everybody doing today, though?
fantastic.
Amazing.
Holy.
Muy bien.
Yes,
Energy. Yo, I'm doing great, bro. We're gonna finish out the week strong.
Yeah. Big banger here. on
I've
Friday.
been listening to y'all spit, and I'm like, bro, I gotta get in this.
Get in here, bro. Come get
Missing
some.
out, bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm
I love having
baptized.
conversation
Oh
like we
yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Unlike it.
Yeah, I agree with Rain Official. I'm baptized, but I don't believe in the whole religion, right? Who are the people that put Christ on the cross? Religious leaders, right?
Religious leaders.
Hypocrites. Yeah.
The man-made laws, people.
Yeah, baptism is just an outward sign, exactly. You won't miss heaven. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I heard this thing. I think it was yesterday. But it was like crazy, bro. It was like when you think about it. So it's like bro, like when you meet Christ, you really do have to be like born again. And it's like, think about like the baby when it's in the mother's womb. It's in like another world, right? And but it can still hear the Father, but you can't see it, right? He hasn't made that connection with the Father yet in the flesh. But you know, once he's born, boom, then he makes that connection. But it's like the same thing. It's like, bro, whenever you're in the flesh, before you make that connection again with Christ, you can still hear him. You can still hear him through like all the sin saying like, yo, don't be doing this, or like, you know, you can feel the guilt, you can feel but then you know, once you meet him again, then you can form that connection again. And I don't know, the way that it made sense to me, bro. I was like, that actually blew my mind. Just being able to hear, like, you know.
Yep.
You know
Knock knock. Knock knock.
100%.
Knock knock. Yeah, and he's always there.
Yeah, man. The time I gave my life to Christ, it was in an auditorium of about 1,000 people. And, you know, I've heard altar calls before, and I knew it was coming. It was knocking, knocking, knocking. Before the guy even did the altar call, I was running to the stage. And little did I know, my wife followed suit, right? My wife was right behind me. And that was one of the greatest moments of my life, to be honest, man.
Yeah,
It was nuts.
That part felt so powerful, bro.
Oh yeah, I was on the move well before the call even came. And what was happening? The knock, 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 knock. All right, I just knew it was for me. All right, so we did get a closure here. We did get a bullish closure on the 30-minute time frame. So 15-minute close bearish back in the range. 30-minute close bearish or bullish back in the range. You know, you may see price move up here. We're in a bit of consolidation though at this point. So I don't know about these buys right here, especially with the 15 closing back in. It's a bit tough here to take buys at 8:30, but I think we're just gonna wait. Yeah, we're just gonna wait because we got resistance here, and it's, you know, there is a wick to fill. What is this? About 16 pips. Yeah, maybe if we can come down and re-break the lows, give a steeper bottom wick, then I may be interested. But man, there's a resistance right here.
Yeah, low-key like the 1 hour may be better.
Yeah, if the 1 hour can actually give us, excuse me, the
Solid
support that we need, then you may have a 30-minute, a 4-hour celery play coming up next.
Yeah, I like that. Yo, but I feel like what we were talking about earlier, I feel like the same way we can get tempted to go against our plan emotionally, that's the time where we need to be reminded of the plan, right? The plan to follow, our winning system, right? When we're tempted to go against our plan, that's the time to remember the logic of our plan. And then it's the same way with our goals. When we're tempted to not follow our self-development program, like when we're tempted to like just not do anything for the day or sleep in bed all day, that's the time we got to remind ourselves why we're going after our goals and why we want to work on ourselves. And that's why I think it's so important that every day, like we were talking about, Rafi, we do positive self-talk and we practice positive thoughts and we speak positively to ourselves, right? Because not many people, they don't lack brains. People don't lack brains, they lack thought power, right? We need to think correctly. We got to remember we're in control of it. So I just think that was something to bring up.
Yeah, and it's powerful, you know, because when you talk about, you know, positive self-talk, a lot of people say, well, that's stupid. Why would I say, you know, oh, I'm so good when I'm not? Well, listen to this. 90% of your human behavior come from your subconscious mind, and only 10% come from your conscious mind. So everything that you have acquired today, it comes from where? Your subconscious. It's all programming, right? I mean, at age of 7 years old, we are operated out of theta brainwave. That's when you're recording everything. That's when you are pretty much building your programming systems. So like anywhere from 12 to 14, that's when you start kind of like seeing like, oh, does this work? Is this true? Or this is not. After 14, you have seen so much, and like things that work, things that don't, right? Like in school, people make fun of you. Then you start saying like, oh, I'm so dumb. Oh, I'm shy. I'm this, I'm that. And then you just repeat that.
Yep.
And then that becomes a belief system. So now you believe that you're dumb. No, you're not. Literally, you just told yourself so many times that your subconscious has no choice but said, okay, well, let's make you do things that make you feel dumb. Simple as that. Yep. So when you're talking about positive self-talk at the beginning, it's going to feel like you're lying. You're going to hear this little voice saying like, well, you're not that smart. Look at this, look at that. It doesn't matter, bro. You just got to rewire that thing. You got to go against that voice. And for a long time, you're going to feel like you're dumb because you're saying something that is not true, right? But you just pretty much overriding this program. Once you do that for so long, you start seeing what? Evidence. Oh, wow, I'm actually not that bad at it. Oh, I'm actually getting better at it. And then you start believing that you're good, and that's how we do things. So positive self-talk is not just to sound, oh, I'm cool. It's just to rewire yourself. Whatever you think that you're not, yo, listen to this. I got this kid that I was working with. He's like, I'm terrible at Spanish. I'm like, no, you're not. You're just not used to the language. How about you practice every day and you choose to learn something for the next 30 days and see what happens? Well, the kid wrote a poem in Spanish. It wasn't perfect, but he wrote it, he did it. And then he was like, yo, like I didn't think that I was capable of doing this. There you go. You just put in the work for 30 days. That's it. Yeah. That's why, you gotta use it, bro. And we're gonna go over this kind of stuff in the boot camp. Like that's gonna be something that rewiring our beliefs. Yo, if you don't do that, it doesn't matter what strategy you trade, it's not gonna work. Period.
Yep. And look, parents, you guys can start this process with your children, all right? This is probably the most important thing. One of our most important missions on this side of heaven, right, is to really raise these kids up properly so they don't have to rewire the brain later, right? If my parents would have brought me up doing this, I wouldn't have had to take half a decade to rewire the brain, right, and rewire the belief and rewire the mindset. So for all my parents out there, if you have young kids, start to implement this stuff, right? Start to bring them up in this way, and they will have self-belief. You guys ever notice how, you could have two kids on the same baseball team, one kid dominates and the other one kind of walks with his head down a little bit. There's a reason for that. It starts in the house, gang. It starts within the house. So get off the phones, right? Get off the distractions and work on your kids a bit, right? Give them the head start that they need, that you wish you had when you were a kid, when you were coming up. And there's nothing for a child like their parent believing in them. That will allow them to conquer all great heights, right? And being able to give your kids the right information is going to take work on your end, right? It's going to take listening to what we're saying here and diving deeper into this journey for yourself, right? So that way you can really be that impact on your kids, right? And set them up for a really, really good head start in life. Yeah, father power, mother power, man, is massive.
Thanks. Yeah, and then like kind of going back to like what Rafi was just talking about with like, the self-talk and everything. Like I know, like for example, this is like a real life example. People that struggle with like addiction, whether it's like smoking cigarettes, hard drugs, whatever, the first thing that you have to do is tell yourself, right? You have to realize that you have some sort of a problem, right? And then the second thing is you're grouping yourself in that. Oh, I'm a smoker, or I'm a crackhead, right? So like as soon as you like put yourself in that sort of like group, and you're grouping yourself with those people, then like that's just how you see yourself subconsciously. That's what you think about yourself, right? Versus the someone who doesn't, who doesn't smoke every day.
Self-image, man.
Like, your self-image is huge for yourself.
Yeah, association too. Like, association is everything. So who you bringing your kids around, right? And what are you doing, right? What are you doing? Because whatever I mean, these little kids are incredible. I look over and they're doing things I didn't even realize that they knew how to do, right? Because they seen me do it, or they seen my wife do it. So they're paying attention. They're paying attention big time. Show the kids right way, yet you send them to school and get brainwashed. Yeah, I never said anything about sending your kids to school. Yeah, my kids will be homeschooled, and you know, we're truly going to program them the way that we want to, the way we believe is going to be the best, you know, for the long term of their future. You know, I don't know. I mean, there's nothing against putting your kids in school, but for us, we chose to raise our kids here and, you know, bring in teachers that we want to bring in. But they're still a little too young to bring in teachers, but we will do that eventually. Kids are smart, man. Kids are smart. And here's the best part is when you're trying to relearn this stuff at 22, 24, 25, 35, 55, the problem is the programming has been so ingrained, right, that it's very hard now because you are viewing life through a specific filter. So everything that comes in goes to this filter in which you were programmed from birth, right? But when you don't have the world in the way just yet, then you can really build someone's belief, right? Really build one's self-confidence and self-image because they haven't been hit with the crap from the world yet. So keep this in mind, you know, keep it in mind. And if you are in your 20s and 30s and you don't have kids yet, prepare now. I would hear my mentors talking about this stuff. I'd be like, what are they talking about these kids for, man? Damn, let's get to the business, right? Let's get to the money. Right? But man, everything they spoke about was stored up in my subconscious mind and we've been applying it, right? And it's been extremely, extremely powerful. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, the move down here. So yeah, I don't know if anyone took buys there. That was not a good opportunity for buys, and now we are cruising down. Yeah, look at this, 4-hour driving here. Yep.
Push it. Can you repeat about the addiction, please? I want to take notes. So it's not so much about the addiction. It's more or less about what you're identifying yourself as. I see it like a lot of people in the chat that'll say there, man, like, I wish I had that patience. Just you start with telling yourself that you are. Tell yourself you're a patient trader and then sit there and sit on your hands. Don't take any trades and practice it. You have to really believe what you are before you even become it. You have to believe it.
That's facts. Earl Nightingale said the strangest secret of the world is we become what we think about.
Bingo.
100%. Bingo. Bro.
Simplify that, right?
Yeah.
That's all we gotta say.
Yeah, so yeah, gold coming down even more here. So 4-hour driving down, 1 hour broke the lows here after breaking the highs. 30-minute broke. So I think somebody asked earlier, hey, why not the impulse entry on the buys here? Because you're just consolidating, right? Especially on the 15-minute time frame. And then, you know, with that no top wick there, that basically spills the beans there. That price most likely won't continue up. It's going to go back in the range. So yeah, we'll see now what happens on the closure here. So 4-hour close is coming up next, and we're going to see where we're at. But I got a good feeling here about today, gang. Yeah, we're going to get a nice position. I'm not leaving till we get one.
Not leaving till we do.
We're going to be on here till 5 p.m., bro. We're going to squeeze something out, I promise.
Yeah.
Rafi, you're going to be trading till Saturday, bro.
Yeah, apparently. I'm looking at that. Woo.
Yeah.
Yo, TK right here. Self-talk is easy when you're talking shit to yourself. Why is it so hard when you're talking nice to yourself? Yo, the only reason why is because there's this thing called the ego, okay? This ego is the mechanism that keeps us safe, right? Which it comes part from your programming. So when you already believe something that is whatever, if it's negative or positive, when you believe already that, let's say, you're not a good trader, when you start telling yourself you're a good trader, the ego is sensing that there is a wanting to change. So it's going to say, no, you're not a good trader. So it's going to trigger emotions, right? Mostly fear or anger, which is going to create some sort of resistance, right? So when you're trying to tell yourself, I'm a good trader, I'm a profitable trader, you hear this thing like, no, you're not, bro, you keep losing. So you're going to have this battle, right? So when you take a loss, now you're battling yourself with the ego, right? because you're gonna feel like, yeah, I told you you're not good, and you're trying to tell yourself that you're good. So it's kind of like you don't believe it. Why? Because your belief system's a lot stronger than the rewiring you're trying to do. So that's the reason why when you're talking to yourself positively, understand that there's all kinds of shit that is gonna come to the life. Okay, you're gonna feel this is not working, this is a lie. Why am I telling myself this when I don't see any results? It takes up to 28 days for you to break a habit, right? So that's what I said. Try it for 30 days. If it's not working for 30 days, try another 30 days, right? Because we don't know how long this programming has been in, right? So why is it so easy? Because again, it is our normal default to keep ourselves protected and safe. And that's what the ego and that's what the brain does, right? So for you to make that change that you haven't seen, of course it's gonna be hard, right? Because it's not what you're used to. So that's why you gotta keep doing it. You gotta keep doing it. You gotta keep doing it until you start seeing confirmation. You start seeing evidence. Otherwise, it's not gonna change.
Yep.
That's great.
It'd be insanity.
Yeah, no, that's so true, man. I'm listening to what you're saying. It's like, you know, I look back and I'm like, why do I have all the things I have today, right? Why have me and my wife not had jobs in years now? And why have we been able to do well? And how come things have been able to click for us and just kind of work out? And, you know, I think back in my early 20s when my mentor and coach was talking about this, as I was sitting there as a young 21, 22-year-old with these puppy eyes and just wanting a real change in life, I think I was just dumb enough to believe it. I think I was just dumb enough to believe what he was saying. And you know what? It worked. It worked, right? I can show you guys my self-talk. I can show you guys, I've been doing self-talk for years, almost a decade now. And I think I was just dumb enough to believe it. You know, I think I just wanted a change so bad in my life that I really believed that if I just spoke to myself in the mirror about the future I wanted and acted as if I had it and talked and walked as if I had it already, that it would come. And you know what? It did. It did. So this is powerful, powerful stuff here that they're talking about.
Guys, I'm gonna give you a thing that I tell my players, my athletes. I've gotten a lot of kids that come in with self-confidence issues. They come in with some sort of, belief system problems. They come in with these lack of confidence. And I tell them, all right, listen, you're part of a baseball team, right? And they're like, yeah, okay. What do you do when one of your teammates strike out? Oh, I pick them up and I tell them, hey, you got it next time. Okay, so what do you do when you strike out?
Throw the helmet, punch the wall.
You dumb.
Yeah.
I'm like, will you say that to your teammate? No. Okay, so you gotta treat yourself like you're your own teammate. As simple as that. So for you guys, just think, is you, the person, and the trader. You guys are a team, right? If the trader makes an error, what are you gonna say that to you? What are you gonna say to him? Are you gonna say you're a loser or whatever? No, right? It's like, okay, so how can I pick him up? Because guys, again, I was talking to another guy the other day. I'm like, yo, if you don't want to lose in trading, I have a solution for you. Stop trading. You won't lose ever again. But if you don't want to stop trading because you want to change your life, honey, you're going to have to start learning how to take these losses. Simple as that. Okay? So how do we bounce back from the losses? It's not by making yourself feel bad. It's about being compassionate with yourself. Yo, you get it next time, bro. This is part of the game, right? That's how, it's a rewiring. That's why I said, I think it was 2 weeks ago, trading is going to pull out into the light the things that you need to work on in yourself. And maybe positive self-talk, maybe your relation with yourself is something that you need to work on. And that's the reason why a lot of people can't stay with no trading day. They have an attachment, right? Yep. It's like that dopamine hits. Oh, I got on buys. I'm making money. Can you just be here and just treat this like a business? Well, there's no clients today, no sales today, no transaction. The game doesn't stop. The business doesn't stop. You come back tomorrow. Simple.
Yeah, man, love it. Love it. Hope you guys are taking notes. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are enjoying the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're taking anything out of it, good stuff. Yeah, take some notes, man. It's good stuff here. Not many people are outside of these walls or outside of the stream. Not many people are talking about this stuff, especially in the space that we're in. Yeah, that guitar went ham.
Space that we're in.
Sheesh.
Guitar plus Waffy cooking.
And the guitar was hitting for us too, right there.
Ooh.
Yo, facts. That's a fire combo.
Rafi's floating over top the guitar, bro.
Yeah. Any tips on your first job interview? Yeah, if you're talking to the big boss, ask him his story. Ask him how he became successful. Successful people love to tell their story. If you're talking with the owner and the boss, ask him how it all came about. Ask him how he created all this. Guarantee you he'll love you. Guaranteed. Dig.
Pick his brain.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm literally just rethinking about everything we just talked about in my head right now.
What is the explain to the new watchers that this is what the bootcamp will be about? Yeah, so the bootcamp is going to be pretty good. I mean, we're going to go over, from my end, we're going to go a lot into learning just the concepts of price action candlesticks, talking about risk management A and risk management B that we'll be introducing here in the bootcamp, how to understand ranges, support and resistance, what to look for, what else, setups, entries, everything that has to do with the playbook, session times, volume times, how to spot these things, how to take advantage of these things, and a couple new ideas that we've been sample sizing as well. We're going to be introducing in the boot camp. I know Rafi's got a whole curriculum that he's going to go through with you guys as well, and Sam is dialed in right now. Sam's got fundamentals on lock if you guys did want to understand how to really up your fundamental game. And I'm going to be paying attention too here. So I'm going to be a student myself. After I'm off, I'm going to be learning, right? I'm going to be there to learn as well, and learn from Sam, learn from Rafi, and see if I can get the most out of this boot camp also, right? With some of the things that they've got to say. But they're going to touch a lot. Sam's going to touch a lot on all the major fundamental news events and how they, move the market, and I'm sure some history behind them all and all that good stuff.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be, it's gonna be every penny worth if you are in that. I promise you. There's gonna be, be better than any course. Better than, for those who are really looking to lock it in and get ready for next year, sign up to the boot camp.
See what happens when you have kids. Got my daughter's. I just put my hand in my pocket. Got my daughter's sock in my hoodie pocket.
It's like what?
This kid, man. Where's the other one though? That's what I don't know.
The other one's on her foot.
So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a nice family fireside chat. And really trying to gear everything towards, building momentum into next year, and the whole family being on the same page and understanding, what it is that we've worked on this year. That's also what we're gonna do. We're gonna cover a lot of what has worked really well for us, and maybe some things that haven't worked so well, and what we've learned in the process this year. So we're gonna be diving deep into that as well, and I think it'll click big time for you guys over the course of those 3 days.
Yes, sir.
I can just imagine how much knowledge is about to be spit on those 3 days after what we just talked about. Oh my god.
Right. Yeah. Because it's like,
we fired up
while we're live. I feel like we definitely give a decent bit of value, but the charts and everything, we're middle of the session. Like now we're gonna be locked in.
Oh, this is just sprinkles. This is not even the real deal.
The stream.
That's
Yeah.
it.
You know?
Facts.
The lucky sock. Yeah.
We all
Keep-
get to sit down. Yeah.
Chat, we'll keep the lucky sock on us too, by the way. If we hit 100 pips here today, you better believe this sock's gonna be in my pocket every single session. Come on, you guys know I was a pitcher playing, growing up playing baseball, man. Baseball, they just run the superstitions in there, man. I don't really believe in it too much anymore, but if we get 100 pips today, I'm gonna keep that sock here. Man, I remember I would never, ever, anytime I walked to and from the dugout, never once did I step on the white line. Never once.
Oh, bro, no.
Not one single time.
The baseball guys, bro.
Yeah, the
they'll
baseball
get
guys
you.
are crazy
Never
with
do
it,
that.
man.
Can't do that.
That's funny.
You look like
Is
my
the sock
mom.
inside
Oh,
out or
man.
no?
Sorry to hear that. What happened?
Is the sock inside out?
The sock is no, the sock is good. It's right
Okay,
side in
good.
or whatever you call it.
You remember whenever your socks were on backwards? And you were like,
Yeah, you remember that, right?
boys.
Check the
I
socks.
think I know what happened here. Check the socks.
All right.
Yeah, the bootcamp is only for $60. Only that.
Literally, the
60
new Call of
cents.
Duty is more expensive than that. Come on.
Take
Dinner,
action.
breakfast last night was more than that. Or breakfast last night. Breakfast yesterday cost me more than that. Never mind dinner. Jeez.
For real.
You be eating.
Yeah, I just want to answer this question. If you can't make the boot camp one day or all 3 days, as long as you register for it, you will have a copy of everything that is done. You'll have the recording sent to your email. So everyone who registers will have the recording sent to their email about like 2 days after the actual boot camp. Schedule for the boot camp. So look, let me go over this really quick. So schedule for the boot camp. It's going to be, so we're going to start next Friday, right? So a week from today, we'll be in the boot camp. And the boot camp's going to go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There's going to be no live stream on Friday next week. And there's also going to be no live stream on Thursday next week. Thursday's a major holiday here in the U.S. And all banks, everything will be shut down on Thursday for Thanksgiving. But we will begin the boot camp at 8 a.m. Eastern, so New York Open time. Whatever that is for you guys in your area. NY Open will begin the boot camp, and it'll go for about 3 hours. We may go a little bit longer if we need to, but it'll go for about 3 hours each and every day. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 a.m. to about 11 a.m. each day, all 3 days. Yeah, every session will be recorded. Everything that each day will be recorded. I highly recommend bringing a notepad, taking notes, and then also you'll get the recording in an email, and then you guys can rewatch it and continue to go over it as much as you feel necessary. So yeah, that's going to be the boot
have this
camp.
knowledge for life.
Yeah, the link will be in the chat here. So if you guys want to join, there's only one week left. So if you guys want to join, I think the registration form will be open till Wednesday next week. Yeah, Wednesday next week, and then I need some time to get all the stuff emailed out to everybody. So pull up.
Pull up and learn.
Yeah. Yeah, block out about 3 hours just so you guys have a expectation of what the schedule will look like. I would say block out, 3.5 hours. I'm sure we'll take 2 or 3 breaks as well along the way.
Yeah, you're recording it too, right?
Yeah, we're recording everything. Yep. Is there a giveaway today? Man, you know what? Why not? Why not? We'll give away 2 seats to the boot camp here today. Yeah, we'll give away 2 seats.
I'm about to get blessed.
If you win and you've already registered, then we'll refund you. Yeah, if you guys already registered, we'll refund you if you guys win the giveaway. We did a giveaway last Friday. Was that Friday? Yeah. Yeah, we love doing giveaways on Fridays. All right, look, the 15-minute candle here. 40 seconds until the closure. A bullish close here would be awesome, right? Bullish closure back in the range would be great. The 4-hour, though, now has respected the lows there. Now, we are going to close bearish here, so that can throw us off a little bit. 1 hour closing strong bearish as well. 30-minute as well. 15, we'll see how we do here. Oh, how are we gonna do it? Crap. So yeah, how are we gonna do the giveaway? So look, go to last. We're gonna do the same. If you guys never commented on the first time we did the giveaway, then just comment on that same video. So I forget what video that was. Hold on. Yeah, I think that was Thursday. Damn. I forget what day that was. I'll figure it out in a second. Let me just go over this 4-hour close that we got here. So looks like we did get the closure. We did close bearish. We did respect the lows of the previous candle. But although we did close bearish, right? So we closed bearish on the 1 hour as well. I told you guys from the very jump, from the early morning, that I wasn't going to take sells in this range here. So if we can get through here at 9:30, then I'll look to take my sells below. If we can get a 30-minute fake out here, or potentially a 15 close back above, then I will look to take my buys moving back up. So those are the two options here today. If we can get a fake out here, that would be awesome. We'll look to take buys. Other than that, if I get a closure below 1980, 850, then I'm going to look to take advantage and run 930 down here today into these ranges down here. Yeah. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream here today, give the stream a like. I'm going to like the stream myself. I don't know if I've done that yet. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe, man. Subscribe.
Yellow Trader said we need 1K likes for the giveaway. I like that idea.
Yeah, we get 1K likes, we'll do the giveaway. How about that?
Facts.
Shout out to YOLO Trader.
Yes, let's get it.
See, gotta have people.
mod idea.
Yeah, W mod, man. Gotta have people smarter than you around you at all times.
For real.
Yeah, let's take a look at GJ too. How did we close here? So we closed bullish here on pound yen on the 4-hour time frame. 1 hour is in a bit of consolidation. Let's go take a look at what we got here. Yeah, break, retest, move up. Yeah, I think let's take a look at the 30 here. Yeah, not bad here. Not bad. It looks like you got a candle that did close above. Give this candle a few minutes and then you may look to have buy stops here, right? Buy stops on the break of the highs, break of the 4-hour highs. Anticipating the 4-hour to move up now. Yeah, and then gold will just sit here and wait. Breaking 15 highs here. So yeah, let's see if we can get a fake out right in this area, and then we'll look to take our buys up. If not, we'll wait for a closure below and take sells coming down. All right, what video for the giveaway? Let me see. You guys remember what video that was? I know it was a Thursday.
I'm not sure.
I think it was this one right here. Nope, not this one. Oh yeah, this one right here. Right here. So Thursday, November 9th. So as you can see, there's 601 comments here. This is the right one. So yeah. By the way, gang, thank you guys. I mean, seriously, like, so heartwarming, man. Some of the things that you guys have said here. So I really do appreciate that. You guys didn't have to say that, but I do appreciate all the kind words in the comments here, man. But yeah, so go to if you haven't commented, if you've already commented here, don't comment again. But November 9th, comment on that stream. Yeah. Yeah, look, gang, if we can get a support here, 930 should be the driver here, right? So we get a support, 930 should move us up. And those are the buys that I would look to take. That's what we drew out from earlier this morning. And then we also talked about sells below here. So nothing really changes, just still waiting. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we drew all this out, right? We drew the plan out here this morning. Looking for fake outs. Yeah. Yep, that's all we're waiting for. For price to move back up. Yeah. So we're just going to stick with our plan.
Sure.
No, I do it because I wait for the best setup. You know, there wasn't really no great setup here. 15-minute was disgusting. 30-minute was disgusting on the way up. 15 was disgusting on the way down. 1 hour was weak doji. So yeah, nah, just doing what I do, waiting for the best setup here. Got a lot of patience, man. A lot of time staring at doorknobs here. Appreciate what you and your team achieved. Like, really, like, oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can someone send the link of the video Nick's talking about? What video? Oh, yeah, Thursday, November 9th. Looking good. Looking good. I really want to see a support here to move up. There's two positions I'm taking here. Buys, if we get a close and a support formed to go up, or sells if we get a closure below to move down. That's it. Yeah, or if this 30 closes below the range like that, then may let it rip from here, right? Taking a 930 celery play, full margin 100 lot, and drive it off here, right? Because as we know, all this consolidation to the left will get smoked as volume comes in, right? That's the dynamite we're looking for. So we'll see if we can get that. Bink. Bingo.
100 lots, baby.
Then it goes TP, bink.
Bink, bink. And then we have a good Friday. And then we bump same friends on the way out. And then we have a good day.
And then we bink. Gone.
Facts.
Then you bink and you're out of here.
Get up on our date.
Do you guys put pending orders on both buy and sell so you don't miss the rocket ship like yesterday? No. Nope.
Yesterday, I missed nothing.
Nothing. How long was your longest for not taking any trade in your life? Yo, this may be my first no trade week ever. This may do it. But let's not count it out yet. Let's see.
Pretty sure we waited longer than a week once.
Really? Did we have a no trade week? I don't remember.
Like,
I remember in July,
like
bro.
2 no weeks.
I waited like a week and a half without taking no trades.
Oh,
And
damn.
now I think that was like July, September.
Alexandria saying
Like we already knew it was gonna be slow, but yeah, nah.
I love, like, honestly, I love no trade weeks. That just tells me I was disciplined as hell because the markets didn't give me an opportunity with my system. So I was disciplined as hell in my system.
Yeah.
So I enjoy them.
Yep.
Reminds me of that I'm doing good.
Oh, in September. Yeah, 100% in September, and Alexandria said. Yeah, so maybe we did have a no trade week in December. Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, no
11th
trade,
hour.
no trade. We good.
Hold on, I forgot to you messaged me, right?
Me?
No, 11th hour.
Oh.
Yeah, I think he said he messaged. Let me go find it. All right, there it is. Yeah, there you go. Oh, damn. I'm sorry I didn't message you back in September, bro. Call JP. We need a bleeder. Later. I'll give him a call.
Go give him a call.
I'll give him a shout.
Hit him up. Hit his
Random
line.
Who goes to the gym regularly? I could vouch for all of these gentlemen up here. We all do.
Sir.
Yeah. Gym float.
Gotta
Yeah,
be
we
strong
gotta-
mentally and physically.
We got a 15 close coming up here too in 3 minutes. Looks like you broke the highs, which is pretty awesome, right? Kind of gave like a 15 pack runner, and then you may have a 15 celery here as well. So we'll see if how things look in 3 minutes here. Otherwise, we gotta wait for the 30. Yeah, once the 15 closes, I may have sell stops.
Yeah, she looking good. Have to hit the gym, get that stress out. Yeah. Pain in the body cures pain in the mind. 100%. I believe that.
I'm sure you do your ice bath, bro. If you don't get your ice bath done, you're not growing.
Get that ice bath.
Nah, I don't mind the ice baths. I've kind of like, I don't want to say grown up with them, but like I've taken plenty of them with like sports and that, bro. I still remember my first one. I think I got it on video, bro. I was like
Really?
going down in it. Yeah, I can see if I can
Breathe.
find it, bro.
So powerful for the mind, bro. Like the things that happen after you have been putting that as a practice, it's incredible.
Oh, bro, I'm telling you, it's like, it's game changer too. And like the hardest part about it is like when you first get in, and then that's it, bro. Like 30 seconds and then you're good. And they always had these things too. They were like little like caps. You put them over your toes so that your toes wouldn't freeze off, and you would sit in there. Boom, 15, 20 minutes. Yeah. But I would always, my coach, he'd be like, Sam, ice bath. Because I'll get shin splints like crazy, bro. Like running on that hard
Oh.
track and that all the time. Yeah. And like,
Yeah.
there's no cure for those. The only thing you could do is ice them off, and yeah.
Back.
Ice them off. Cool them down. All right, so I'm gonna look to have a sell stop here in about 10 seconds. I do want to see a top wick. on the next 15 candle here. And then I will have some sell stops. Keeping stops up here around 1987, 190. They're about 25 pips. Yeah, if we don't get activated on the 15, then the 30 celery should be right behind us. Yeah, heat therapy, cold therapy is all great. Red light therapy is awesome as well. All right, 25 seconds here on this 15 candle. Let's see. All right, so we need a top wick on the next one, and then if we break the lows, I'll have a sell stop order in there. Perfect. Now we need to come up. Gotta come up. Yeah, saunas are great. Yep. Ice bath? No. Yeah, man. That'll get your breathing. That'll get your breathing going really good. Activated. Oh, nice. Yeah, I need a top wick. No top wick, no entry for me. How am I feeling today? Still sick? Nah, I'm feeling great, man. Yeah, all kidding aside, I actually feel wonderful here today. Probably a 9 out of 10 here. Earlier on in the week, gang, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm telling you, I was like a 3. Yeah, I was like a 3. Yeah, I caught some cold or something. You know what I say if there's no top wick? If it drives, it drives. If it drives, it drives. Off to the 30 close. Are we selling now? I'm not selling now, but maybe some people are. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the volume here. If we would have had a top wick, then I would have had sell stops, but we never got that. Stay disciplined. Yes. Buzz Blab. What up, Buzz Blab? Buzz Blab. Nick, we have a top wick. Oh, nice. Then if you have a top wick, go ahead and take the trade. I don't have one here, so I'm gonna hang tight for a few.
Wait for that 30.
Yeah, at this point, I'll probably wait for a 30-minute candle here. GJ might move up here as well. 4 hour looks good. 1 hour closed above also. I think the 15-minute is very... See how the candles are getting really just small here? That's not the best sign. Not the greatest sign there. Oh, well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? There is the top wick. Wow. Just look at that car.
You look at this.
Yeah.
Holy.
Well,
Would you look at that?
yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well,
What the heck is that?
What the heck is that?
Yo. All right. Well, off to potential fake outs here. So this 30 closure is going to be huge. Huge. Big 30 close coming up here. Can I get it? That brother's starving?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother. Brother's starving. You like the troll?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little Trolling.
Hey, gang, Trump posted that on his IG the other day.
No, I know. Joe sent me it. I was like, no way, bro.
He knew he knew we were playing it on the stream.
I was like, the fact he's actually posting that. There's like no context or nothing. He just posted it. We do a little troll.
Yeah, right.
No caption, no nothing.
Yeah, no
Not for
context.
real.
He's just like, we troll.
Trump likes to troll.
He was
We
like,
like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called...
Trump invented trolling.
For
The Trump troll.
All right. Are we waiting for a sell? Yeah, so sells buys above here, sells below here. Yeah, unless we get some really nice closure here, then may have sell stops for 930. That's the only way. It's the only way. If you guys are in sells already, congrats. Congratulations. Mr. Strategy. What's the strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Yo, why does everyone like that one? I can relate. Oh yeah, the heartbeat one. Remember that one? That was for the Quakers. The Quakers
Yo, I
be
was
getting
gonna
a
bring
heartbeat
that up
going,
right
bro.
now. I was gonna bring that up right now. How many of you guys' heart right now? It's like clunk, 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 clunk.
No, you know our hearts be pumping by the stop loss, but the Quakers, man, as we approach TP, it's like, oh my God, they did it again. Damn it! Yeah, man, them Quakers. When the pressure's on, they get quaking. Yeah, I had someone say some really nasty things in the Discord. Not that nasty, you know, but some out of nowhere stuff in the Discord. And then I sent them a message a little later on. I said, hey, man, I appreciate your comments in the Discord. Just know you sound like a fool, number one. But I really do appreciate you and hope the best and wish blessings upon your finances and hope you kill it in life. My guy wrote back, apologies. I'm very sorry. I told a bunch of guys about you. They started watching you. They took 2 losses and they're coming for my head. Hey, man, when that pressure's on, man. Are some of you guys treating this live stream like it's like I'm the bookie or something? Like, what's going on here? Yeah, man, I'm in deep with my boys. Those 2 trade signals, man. I lost all my money. I'm in debt. Like, what is? I think those were like guys from Russia or something, man. You guys are crazy. Be sending the Russian squad out here to Florida looking for me. You lost those 2 trading signals, bro. Cost me all my money. Yeah, man. The boys be acting crazy when that pressure's on, man. They start saying some wild things. They don't really mean it, though. They don't really mean it. Yeah. Just like Maury, yup. The wig coming off. Yeah, man. So you can't take what people say personally, gang. That just goes to show you, like, the guy was like, yo, I'm so sorry, honestly, like, it was uncalled for. My buddies are just beating me up over here, and I don't know, I thought I had to say something. Like I said, sometimes people just talk to talk. So yeah, so we would have been in this position here had we left those right around break even right now. Yeah, I would love to see this candle flip bullish, close above, and we can have a nice drive up here with 930. But we did close bearish here on the you know, the 1 hour and the 4 hour here. So we just gotta really be patient with this 30-minute candle.
That's what I'm looking at too, is the 4 hour right now. You know, daily still, I mean, it has little to no bottom wick, too.
Wow, what a username that is. Wow, lovely. Yeah, price is struggling here at this 1 hour support. Struggling on the 15 here. Where's John's hat? We didn't get the memo today.
Hey,
I got
yo,
you.
hat. Everyone got a hat except me.
No hat day.
Separation. No.
Separation.
Separation.
I like that. That's funny.
Am I already in the trade? No, I'm not in any trade here. I'm just waiting. Waiting on the 30-minute here. Two minutes. Two minutes.
TK trying to lock in at the stew all weekend or something, bro. Let's lock it
Tell him
in.
to bring out the whole ocean.
Gonna be my producer.
Yeah, TK, that was fire. Nice post.
¿Quién habla español aquí? Oye, Sam habla español, mi amigo.
Yeah, amigo. Yeah, so look, if we close with like no bottom wick too, this may call for an impulse entry as well, to move up. But let's see how this candle closes here in 1 minute.
I feel like off the 30 and 1 hour, they're impulse entries. Off the 4 hour, 4 hour looks to clean it.
Dum, 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 dum.
Green, I'm working on it, bro.
One minute. Yeah, we got about if we do enter on the break of the lows, as long as this candle leaves us a wick and we enter on the break of the lows here, we've got about a 30 pip advantage point. And then, you know, there's a support level down here at, what is that, 1971. So yeah, we'll see if volume could bring the heat here today. Dum, 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 dum. Yeah, if we close with no bottom wick, then that may be a sign that volume is going to drive us up. So depending on potential impulse entries on the break of these highs here, if we do close with no bottom wick here as support. 27 seconds. Let's look at GJ. GJ is, I don't care about GJ right now. Looks like we're struggling a bit on the 15. So you got to wait on this closure here. If you close back below the range here, then you'll probably see a move down, right? Bullish volume slowing up a bit. All right, so we did get a candle to close. So we need a top wick, and I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. Well, we need a little bit of a top wick here. Gonna need a top wick. And then we're anticipating the new 4 hour to start driving, right? Start driving. 1 hour as well, start driving through with volume here. But we are gonna need a top wick, or I'm gonna need a top wick. You guys are free to do whatever you like. Doop, doop. Later. It's trying. It's trying. It's a wiggler. All right, there it is, chat. So gonna have sell stops here on gold. Break of the lows here. Got ourselves a top wick right now, and yeah, it's gonna be the trade. So we got volume coming in. We should be able to push pretty strong through this consolidation. If the 4 hour really wants to drive here, right, then we should be able to punch through all this, at least retest support, and you know, maybe even continue further with this volume coming in.
Yeah, I'm loving the 4 hour.
Yeah.
4 hour looking good.
4 hour looks clean.
Yep, everything looks good, pretty good. If the 30 would have closed back above range, then I would probably look more towards buys here. But as of right now, we never closed above that range there. So, yeah. Oh, Maverick's giggling. Wonder what he's giggling about. Yeah, if we were to have closed with no bottom wick, I would have said maybe, just maybe, buy stops, impulse entries here. But we did close with a bottom wick. We did close bearish. So if we break this low here and this low there, there's a pretty high chance we're going to come down.
Yeah, we got volume. Do I have a training course? Yeah, right here. It's all here for free. Hey, yo. Is that you, Rafi, getting the foot massage, dude?
Yeah, bro.
Nice
We're
coach.
doing a stream.
Oh.
Boss stuff.
Getting a foot massage.
Man's a boss.
Do I have a training course? No. Yeah, just the live streams are going to be your best bet. And it's all free, too, which is good. Oh, sell stops and buy stops at the same time here? Oh, buy stops on the break of the highs. Oh. Okay. Where do you see your volume indicator? Right up here on the clock. The time.
I mean, the end of the week too. See bigger moves at the end of the week.
The time is what really is my volume indicator for the most part here. Yeah, the time. All right, I've been activated here, chat. So got activated in here on these cells. Gonna keep stops above the previous 30-minute candle. TP is gonna be way down here. It's gonna be the ultimate target here down at 1971. Going to look to secure profits or partials around 1981 600 here, right around this support level. And that's gonna be the trade. If this candle closes bullish, this 30-minute candle here closes bullish, I will probably delete the position. And yeah, manage risk or whatever. So yeah, that's it. Now we'd see if it could run. Activated. All right, nice. Activated, nice. Stop yawning. You ain't tired? Tired of you. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
A little trolling.
We like to troll.
That's funny.
Not the volume.
Oh. Yeah, I most likely got slipped. Yeah. Oh, not too bad actually. Nope. Not bad at all. Yeah, I actually like ACAP with gold here. It's GJ that's the main problem. Yeah, GJ's been the big issue here with ACAP.
I really like this 4 hour.
Check NASDAQ. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, nice. Sells below there. Nice. Later. Beautiful.
Later.
See if gold could follow suit here. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, today is Friday. Last day of the week here, man.
Sure.
Last day of the week. What's stop loss? Stops are on the screen here. Previous 30-minute candle. Previous 30-minute high. Yo. Doing anything this weekend? Yeah, I'm sure we're doing some stuff. Yeah, I don't know exactly what we're doing, but I'm sure we're doing something.
Everything top secret.
Top secret.
Top secret. Keep the vocals top secret.
You heard that, TK? Keep the vocals top secret. Yeah, me and TK gonna be in the stoop.
In the studio. In the studio.
In the studio. Me and Nick's. Oh wait. Yeah, you come too.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to start. My
Come to
brain
the
was about to
studio.
start running. I'm about to
That'd
start
be
freestyling. My brain was about to start doing it last.
Yeah, they're opening up the doors there at the stock exchange now, I think. They were late. Whoever had the key was late.
Late. Yeah, there's 15 closes.
Let's go, babies. I'm thinking about ordering a new... Oh, nice. Do it, TK. Do it. Do it. Where's B? B is gonna be right around like 1981, 600-ish, somewhere around there. Yeah. She's bringing the volume. Yeah, she's bringing the volume, all right. She's in the living room though, bringing the volume. They're like, "Yo, where's the kid? Get the kid in here."
Bring out the Lily.
Bring out the little kids.
Open the door.
He a smooth heel from the dog. They're 400 though. Yeah.
Grab the sock, Nick.
Oh, don't you worry about the sock.
Why do you call it break even if it's not where you entered? When price comes to that point is when you would go break even.
For all my Quakers.
If we close with no bottom wick here, I'm going to close 80% of my position, which looks like we are. So 12 pips, closing partials right here, gang, moving stops to break even. And that is the trade.
bink, bink, bink.
Yeah, break even now. So close partials at 12 and just gonna hold the rest now. Hopefully we don't get tapped at BE, but yeah. There you go.
Well,
W's.
Just another day.
Just another day in the office. Let's see who got their pips and dip.
Let's
We got
see.
22.43 right now.
Oh, don't worry. We can see them all right here. Oh, man. 2,200, huh? How come when we're in a trade?
Interesting.
Yeah, closed 80% at that support level right there, gang. And whatever this thing wants to do now, we may see a lot of volume come in now. So if we could survive the top wick here, that'd be awesome. I think we could see a lot of volume dump in. We just got to survive that top wick.
I'm thinking of moving my stops at that 15-minute high.
Yeah, I'm going to just go BE here. Just going to go BE, and that's the trade there. So that was really our vantage point, which was about, I closed partial, it says 17, but it was like 12 or 13. And then, you know, this is pretty much the overall move we're looking for here.
W.
Oh, I think I got tapped at B either. Yeah, so 12 pips. We'll take them on a Friday. So we did not have a no trade week. Interesting.
Yeah,
Last day. And 9:30 really should have pushed harder than that, man. Yeah. Was expecting a much stronger push. Yeah, let's see how the NASDAQ did here. Oh yeah, see I wanted 9:30 to drive. The way 9:30 drove here, that's what I was expecting on gold there, but NAS100 brought more volume. Yeah. Yeah, congrats if you guys took that trade. That's going to be break even there for me. So I just tapped B a minute ago, and that was it. That was the trade. Yeah. Nice little 15-minute bleeder, and that was it. Yeah. 1 hour still looks pretty good to go down. We're, 4 hours, got a support right there that it's trying to tap into. But, man, not much volume here at 9:30 today. So we'll see if this 15-minute can continue the job and start driving. But I am out of this position at this point. But congrats to everyone who took it. If you guys took that position, W, congratulations. 30-minute candle still open, so you might see another push here. Pretty simple trade, nothing too crazy. Yeah, for those still holding, you may get a drive here. Oh, let's go, Sergio.
Let's go.
So I broke even on that trade. No, I secured 80% at 12 pips. Made about almost 2,300 bucks on that one. So a little over 2,000. Yeah, you might get so the volume didn't really come. I mean, it did come in at 9:15 and 9:30, but this may be the big candle here now, this 15-minute candle. Let's go, John. Let's go, John. Sam, you're in this too, right?
Yes.
Let's go, boys.
I might be holding still. Yeah, I just like what John was saying with like the 4 hour. Like I saw someone else asked asked the question in the chat. Like, yeah, on the lower time frame, it's like a little choppy, but 4-hour time frame, super clean. Daily candle was doing all that driving up, hit the daily resistance. Now it's making the bottom wick, didn't have one.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, there's a bunch of good things in this trade that lined up.
Yeah, and since we had volume too.
I just took
Yeah, there's where you want to take your partials.
80%.
Too.
Yeah, I just took mine.
No.
Close partials now. Beautiful. beautiful. Well done, gang. Should have been about 20, 25 pips there, right?
Thank you for the money, sir.
Oh, my pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I can eat. Now I can go crazy this weekend. Casino. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Now you got plans for the weekend.
Yeah, now I got plans. Hey, who got plans now? Who got plans now? No.
All of a sudden, the weekend plan switched up, huh? Yeah, you know what? We are going to do a little something this weekend. We don't need Raj's voice cursing me out entering at resistance, right? Yeah. Cigar lounge. Yeah, that actually sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll hit up a couple friends and hit the cigar lounge. That doesn't sound like a bad idea, actually.
I want to get a massage, bro, after I see Rafi.
Massage and cigar this weekend, 100%. 100%.
That's it.
You guys are a good influence. Hey, blessings to you, Daniel. Good job, man.
That's like the Tate weekend, bro. I feel like half the clips I see, he's got a cigar and he's getting a massage.
Yeah.
Seriously.
How about a cigar and a massage at the same time? I'm on the way. Yo, yeah. Who's in Tampa here? They got a really, really cool cigar lounge down there in Tampa. Did I copy the trade on my other account? I did. Yeah, I did. Don't forget the coffee. That's right. Just made my bootcamp expense back. Hey,
Yeah, W.
big dubs. Yeah, not a bad trade. John, did you secure partials at support? Oh, John's gone. Yeah, he secured partials. He wouldn't be off the desk if he didn't.
I think I heard him say he did at the 4-hour support. That's where I
Yeah. Yeah, so that was the trade. Let's just rehash and go over that real quick, just for those of you guys that have some questions about it. So here's what happened. You know, the daily candle was bullish today, and we were pumping up. We pumped up all throughout the London session, but then we started getting to this resistance up here, right? And 4-hour candle was bearish by the time we came to the charts. So we didn't really want to take any sells too early, right? Because this 4-hour could have been really just creating a bottom wick for a drive up to like 2000, 2004. So we had to be pretty patient there on the buys. As you can see, there was really no opportunity for us to enter any buys here. You have a resistance, a doji. This break of the high, I'm sure some of you guys did get activated here, but as you guys know, based off the 30-minute, we never closed. This was the candle here. We never closed above support there, so wasn't going to enter impulsively on the break of those highs. And at that point, just waited, right? Just waited for the 4-hour to close. So this was your 8:30 candle, drove down. That's how the 4-hour closed bearish. And then what happened here? 4-hour made a top wick, and let's take a look at that on the 15-minute time frame. So 4-hour made a top wick right here. We had a potential celery play coming in. We let that one go due to the fact that it just didn't give us a bottom top wick originally, so we were patient there. We let it go. We let the candle close. We paid attention to the 30-minute at that time and just waited for our top wick here. Entered on the break of the lows, smooth ride down, tap it into support there, and if she wants to continue driving, well, there's a lot of clean traffic here for her to go. So that was the reason behind the trade. It was at 9:30, so clearly lots of volume dumping in. And you know, entries were kept on the break of the lows, stops were kept above previous candle highs, and ultimately 1972 is the target, but closed partials there, and rest got tapped at BE for me. But yeah, should continue driving here till we got 5 minutes left, so maybe the volume's coming in. Yep. We got the lucky sock.
Lucky sock.
Gotta keep that sock with you forever.
Speaking of the volume coming in.
Lele ain't never gonna find that song. TK, that's funny.
Yeah, right.
She gonna be like, Daddy, where's my salt?
They both like to come up here and say hi to everyone all the time. Say hi to everybody. Say, look, see Uncle John? Say hi to Uncle John.
That. What's up, Alea?
Hi.
What's up?
They're like, who is this dude waving at me?
Look, everyone's saying hi. They're all waving to you. Say bink, bink, bink. Where'd they go? They're right there. They're right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. These are the Y right here, gang. This is the Y.
Yeah. Dude, Maverick wants to spit bars.
Maverick's trying to spit something.
Alright, so let me spit.
He's like, let me cook.
Oh, you got the whole crew.
Got the whole crew. Bring out the whole volume here. Thank you. All right, Maverick, this is a 9:30 breakout here. No, it's oh man. See, now I'm hearing Raja say, wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Bless you. Yeah, so keep in mind that if you don't really get the volume between 9:15 and 9:30, then the volume might just come in at 9:30 to 9:45. And if you don't tend to get the high volume candle at that time, it'll usually be the 9:45 to 10 a.m. candle. So that's the candle you're looking at now. I don't know which one was bigger, but overall, we do know that 9:30 is our volume indicator, and that seems to be, you know, one of the bigger candles here today. Yeah, one of the exercises I tell a lot of people to do is when you're looking at the charts, go back and let's say you trade the New York session, go ahead and scroll back and find the biggest candles and go and look at what time those candles print. And one thing you'll notice is that there's a common theme in that if you look back further enough, you'll notice that most of the big candles tend to happen at the same time every time. So I'm not going to spill the beans. I'm going to let you guys do the work for yourself, but go ahead and do that exercise. Analysis on point. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Green. Secured some pips. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, if you guys secured some money there or some pips there, like the stream and sub to the channel. How do I deal with FOMO of getting out too early? So according to my plan, I didn't get out too early. I planned the trade prior. I said right there we're gonna close partials. So I didn't exit early. I exit right 1 sec.
Yeah, yo, who's in that still? Chat? Good trade. What'd y'all do? Here's some pips. Nice, nice. Good job. Still in. Nice, nice.
Yo, daily candle bottom wick, huh?
Nah, everyone.
Wow.
Yeah, bro. There was no bottom wick.
There it is, chat.
Remember?
Yeah, you're right.
It made so much sense with the 4-hour creating resistance, the daily small bottom wick. It made sense like with what the markets want to do.
Yeah, man. There it is.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Look at it. Yeah, lovely. Now look, there's a potential opportunity here as well. So you did close below support here. Price has clean traffic moving down. So depending on what this daily candle wants to do here, let's see if we actually continue moving down or move back up. Well, 4-hour tapped into support there. 1 hour did close below, but being all the signs given on the daily, we may just make that bottom wick and then continue up. So you also want to try and avoid this fake out that could potentially happen here as well. Yeah, I think the only way I'm taking another position is if we got a celery play at 10:30 that just lined up right down the plate. Probably crack that out the park, but other than that, I'm not going to take the breakout here. Yeah, but if we do get a celery, nice fastball right down the plate, then I may take that. Oh, nice. Recovered half your losses. Good stuff. Beautiful.
I don't know. I feel like we drove down so much, but that might not matter.
Yeah, this might be depending, right? You know, if the daily candle doesn't want to continue down, then it just came down to give us that bottom wick. You know, so that's what we talk about a lot, gang. Like, you see, there's only 6 hours left in this 24-hour candle. Now, it had no bottom wick really from the jump, so at any point it can come back. And look, this candle even broke the highs and drove up 100 pips, 120 pips, and then came down for a bottom wick. So that's why these bottom wicks and bullish candles are so important, because at any point price can come down. Now, you know, buyers are probably lucky here today, because, you know, this could have came down from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. It just happened to, you know, come down from there today. But at any point without this bottom wick, price can reverse any point and come and make that wick. So that's the reason why we don't get in buys or when candles don't have bottom wicks on 30-minute, 1 hour, and then the same just goes for daily. Right? All candles are the same, no matter, regardless of whether it's a 30-minute candle, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. A candle's a candle. Yeah, it's gonna operate the same. Yeah, who took the trade and dipped? Now we can really see the numbers. Holy! Wow. I'm gone. Give me that bread, bro. Holy. Alright, we recovered. Oh, I don't know what that drastic drop was. Never mind. Yeah, that's about right. 1,800 loyal people. 1,890, 1,900.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least we got loyal people.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna be it here for me, gang. Kids are up, running around, causing a ruckus. It is Friday. I'm gonna keep an eye on that 30-minute celery for about a half hour here, but I am gonna get off stream. Sounds like a tornado's going on here in the other room, so I'm gonna go ahead and handle that. But great week here, gang. In all seriousness, we were very, very disciplined this week. We were very patient. Kudos to you if you guys didn't jump on anything that didn't fit your plan. You know, if you did that, you practiced heavy discipline this week. We know that there was a lot of volume. It was tough, right? It's tough to sit and wait on that volume, but you know, we did it. All right, we did it, and it didn't cause anything. You know, we didn't lose any money by waiting. Oh, yeah, we got to do the giveaway. Didn't lose any money by waiting. Just, if anything, what we did was we exercised our discipline, and our discipline got stronger this week. And this week is only 1 week out of hundreds of weeks that you guys will trade. And this week was a week to really get that muscle stronger for yourself. So big W week on patience, man. And let's do the giveaway. Yeah, let's do the giveaway real quick.
Yes, sir. Yo, everybody that's here, if you are not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell, smash the like button.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, wrong one. But seriously, congratulations, gang. Not many people can sit on their hands for 4 days in a row while volume's being thrown all around the market. So big W, man.
Yeah, for real.
All right, let me get the YouTube link. 1 moment. Yeah, we're going to pick 2 winners here. Don't leave yet. If anyone left, tell them come on back. Otherwise, we're going to skip over them. YouTube. What do we say that was? The 9th?
Yes, of November.
November.
Man, we fine in November. Yeesh.
November 9th. Awesome. November 9th. Perfect. Yeah, so if you guys didn't comment, you can comment on this live stream right here. So November 9th, I'm going to give you guys 10, 12 seconds real quick. If you haven't left a comment, looks like about 60 new people commented. So yeah, so Thursday, November 9th, I'll give you guys like 15 seconds. 1 moment.
Boy, there it is.
Yo, we're back to the original song here on the soundtrack. You guys know this song from the beginning of the stream. All right, let me grab this link here, and then we will get this giveaway going. You guys commented November 9th. I'll give you one last opportunity here. Thursday. Good? Let's fetch it. Allow no duplicates and no replies. So I see you guys.
Imagine you allowed replies and brought up you replying to someone.
yeah,
like,
that's true. I won it. Let's go. Imagine if I won twice. I got chat.
Let's go.
Peace. Glory to the Father. You guys back? What?
Let's be like, that's tough, chat. That's tough.
Oh man.
Got
All right.
Square.
Cool. Let's do this here. All right, you guys ready? Let's pick a winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Amen. Amen. Are you here
Amen.
today?
Amen.
Hey, bro.
Amen.
Amen.
Imagine the next guy wins is hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Are you here today? Hopefully you did
In
not
Jesus
leave.
Christ's name. Amen.
After. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Oh man, I
Where
don't
you
see
at?
it. I don't see him. I don't see him. We'll give him 5 seconds.
Amen for amen.
There's a cyclone
Slave.
going on in my living room. Nah,
You're
I
chopped.
don't see him. I
Oh,
love you.
I
and
see
Oh,
him.
he's there. He's there. He's there.
All right,
I see him.
perfect. I was gonna
Yo,
say
man,
what a nice comment he wrote too. All right, bro, hit me up on Discord immediately. In Jesus' name, amen.
Congrats, amen.
Dubs. Awesome. He's sleeping. He was waiting for that magic key alert sound. Ding ding. How we looking here? No, nothing. Gold back up here, huh? How can I find the spreadsheet? Exclamation point journal in the chat.
After that big move down, gold's coming up for a little bit.
All right, let's do it. One more. My second name's Amen. Oh, he was in shock. Yeah, congrats, bro. Congratulations. Congratulations.
God be blessed. Amen.
Look forward to seeing you on the bootcamp. All right, let's do it again. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pick a winner. Bing, bing, bing. Oh, Hakeem. Just want to say I love what you're doing, man, and thank you for everything. My pleasure, bro. Are you here today? Oh, we got another Maverick in the house. Oh, no, Merrick.
Never lack.
Are we here? Hakeem, there he is. Let's
Hakeem,
go.
yeah, I see him.
Yeah, awesome. All right, man, message me. Hey, we're going to do one more just because I love the number 3. I just love the number 3, and I want to see somebody else have the opportunity, and I'm hoping that it's someone that, really wanted to go but maybe couldn't. So, yeah. Yeah, both of you guys who have won, please message me on Discord immediately. Like, not now, but right now. Yeah. Not now, but right now.
Yeah, you already won. Now go drop the DM.
Yeah. Leave the chat, leave this chat, and then
Nothing else you need to do.
nothing.
All right.
We're gonna pick one more here.
From the beginning to the end.
All right, here we go. One more giveaway here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Mode Club Nights. Where you at, Mode Club Nights?
Beautiful.
Where
Congrats,
are you?
y'all.
Where are you? Where you at? Are you here? Are you here? Somebody call this man.
It is mine.
I don't see him. He's here? You said
He is here? Oh, where is he? I don't see him.
I don't see him.
And
Yeah, I don't see
Man.
it. You type his at, I don't see it. Not here.
All right, yeah, I don't see him here. We're gonna have to
We're like
pick a
one
new
more.
one.
damn.
We're not going
Dropped.
anywhere.
That's tough.
Another one, yeah. I think. Yeah, I don't see him. All right. Goat, thank you, sir. Appreciate you. We had the free seat for you, but it's okay. It's okay. So if you're rewatching this later, just know we love you and we appreciate your comment. Yeah, no, I don't see him. Yeah, let's go one more.
If you type @mode and like type his name in the chat, it'll show up. So he must not be here.
All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. AJ. Hey, yo.
Oh,
Is AJ here?
the one?
AJ's
I see
gotta
him.
be here.
Is that
I
the?
think I just saw him.
He's here every day. Where you at, AJ? I know you're here. Congratulations. I'd eat my hat if AJ's not here. Please, please be here, AJ.
If AJ's not here, we called it there.
Nah, if AJ's not here, we'll do one more. We're looking for AJAY. AJ. Yeah, we know which AJ it is by the actual background here.
There was like 3 AJs.
All right, I don't see AJ.
Wow.
No.
Shocked.
Man, AJ's normally here. All right, I think we got to pick another one, gang. Yeah. Must have had to leave early. All right, we're going to do one more here. Hopefully they're here. That's 2 in a row. I guess this next guy's a lucky winner, man.
Wait, there is someone in the chat.
Yeah, but it's not the same
There
AJ.
might be yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's a different profile
Yeah.
picture though.
Yeah, I know which AJ it is. AJ, you know AJ. He's always got good questions.
no, I know
I have
exactly who
doubts
you're
in
talking
the trade. Yeah.
To be honest with you, I thought it was the AJ with the orange profile picture. The one that we know.
All right, let's run it again. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, who's this? Sharjil Khan in the house. Are we here? Are we here, Mr. Khan or Mrs. Khan?
Sharju.
Oh. Are we here? Where they at, though? Oh, no bueno. Not here.
Bruh.
Holy. All right, on to the next.
On to the next.
See, gang, you never want to just take the trade here. You never know what's going to pop up after the trades here on the TTE trade floor. Yeah, man, you never know. All right, one. Let's see if we can get a winner chicken dinner here. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, we're only less than 100 away from 1,000 likes. So if you guys can give the stream a like here, that would be fantastic. Let's go ahead and pick the next winner here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, all right, you got me on that one.
I got you.
I don't know.
Akitesh.
I don't know, man.
Can't be leaving early here.
Oh, he's
Oh,
there.
wait, he's right there.
He's here. Where at?
Wait.
He said, "Hey, man."
Come on, you gotta do better than that to stand out in this.
No? Oh, yeah, it
wave
is.
Of, oh
Yeah,
yeah,
bro.
he's here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes, sir. Message me on Discord. Congrats to the 3 winners. Big W. And yeah, I think that is going to be the day here, man. So that's going to be the day. Congratulations to everyone who took that position with us here on Gold. 30-minute celery, potentially, maybe, possibly in about 11 minutes. But Not gonna stick around for that. If I do take it, I will call it in the signals channel. And if we do get that, I will take it, by the way. So this year signal now. But yeah,
Lovely.
W Discipline gang. Boys, thanks for coming on today. Rafi
Yes,
dropping the heat, Sam dropping the heat, John always with the heat. Appreciate the gems, boys.
Appreciate
I've
it.
learned a lot here today. And thanks for coming by.
Yes, sir. Can I say something real
Thank
quick?
you.
Yes, sir.
Yo, thank you everybody for 25,000 subscribers. We
Oh,
hit it today.
did we?
25,000.
Oh, nice.
Damn, holy.
Oh,
Yo,
W.
It was just all a dream, all a vision at one
Crazy.
point. But you know, without all of you, there is no 25,000. So
Facts.
thank you for everyone that comes here every single day. I really believe in a lot of you. I think a lot of you are gonna make a great changes for people that are around you and for yourself. And yeah, W's. I've seen a lot of people level up here, and
Oh, yeah.
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
W's,
So
25,000.
true. W's, let's go.
Yeah, man. Breeding grounds for success here on the Time to Eat trading floor. We're proud of all you guys, man. A lot of growth, like Sam said. And yeah, 25K, man. Beautiful. Awesome.
Love it.
Good stuff. On to, I guess I got to scratch it off, gang. So my original goal was 20K by the end of the year, and then I scratched that out and put 25K. And you guys are making me better, right? Because you guys are helping me stretch myself and my vision and the overall outreach of this whole operation we got going on here. So yeah, big W this week. 25K, awesome. I'll update the record on my own here. You'll see the updated record when we get back on Monday. But that is it, gang. I'll see you guys on Monday. Boys, thanks for pulling up. Chat mods, thank you guys for doing what you do best. You guys make a huge difference in the on the live streams, and everyone that helps out in the Discord. Really do appreciate you guys. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one, and we will see you next week on the Monday, boys.
Peace.
Blessed weekend, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.
Deuces, yep. Take it easy,
Stay
everyone.
blessed.